That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs. African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs. African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs.
TV ike yana popon ba uchobe ma chomo popo ya ko da bana mi apo mbada o yo ke bana mi ache shai be mi apa no tata o pole ona ono TV shai ke ma jibe mi nya ba mi le Facebook ya mi ba TV na YouTube ha mi o ke ya ba TV ba TV le TikTok ha fuma ya tano kata chama plebi ojeru kata abanyambo losusube mia ano wana oma do atu tano kujibe plus 23324270773 enye number ekeji na tem ato achaka ba plebi plus 23324270773 enye number ekana tem acho ako achaka ba plebi alo Mshami Kenya, Chocho Mshami Kenya, Modi, Ika, Ramia, Mokataklebe, Afimia, Wana, now me left Chifuga Hostel, the water, the whole village Fuga Hostel, the waterway, the whole Abanamikata, Bear, me, wood, the capital. All right, Mia, Ajawana Koma Balakimani, Mia, motivational message. You have a motivational message in yeah, you can go to a miracle, but don't say miracle. Because on a miracle, let me show you a motivational message. Yeah, as well go Agavapo, Mukanye, Najoke, let me have a tanto mafia. Yeah, as well go either in top of Mokata, Apoe, Yankawila Fuma. When I check on me. Patently. Yo, Alba motivational message alone, ya Kenya, Cotton, Senioricue, Yamiaco, Le Abba, Ma, local properly, Magical English. Welcome to the transmission, Tony McBoy. It's anchoring this from now till 10. Thank you all for making time with me. Our motivational message for today: the more you commit to yourself, the more your life improves. The more you commit to yourself, the more your life improves. That is our message. Simplicity. The more you commit to yourself. So, our inspirational message is encouraging us to get committed to ourselves. And how do you get committed to yourself? Get committed to the things that matter. Get committed to the things that build you up. Get committed to the essentials of your life. Be it spirituality, a sense of interconnectedness, prayer, study, fellowship. Be it fitness, desired body goal, desired fitness plan. Be it health, be it education. Make sure that you are committed to yourself. It is very, 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 very difficult to get committed to oneself, and it's so easy getting committed to others. You can do a lot about others and doing nothing about yourself. The way to improve one's life is to get committed to oneself. Miapa se domenya, miapa mroki pronya, miapa agbe, bazone kazomile, otuturo nya. Ika jejele mioti biojema akwabe awabe azado alo vivichi li alo amare lukome. Wakwabe kariere le vivichi amara ke de tu viviare ma tu pokuare ma lo nyo viare ma to shire je oshi. Enya fe enya to ile ngame. Na mo woshi alo ko shire jitura na ma. Na me betu mura o que ye joy lokikwana is a sign of yieldedness. It's a sign of yieldedness. Da abemia abe mabeto ayo aje be mia strong ke mi chona mia lokio dash ne mia kwa nyunyu mia cho mia kwa eji mia kwa susu mia kwa mia mama kata acho dash ne ngie ke ni to ka kwa mia chi. You see, wo to nya maka utaro jingwe nyaka nukawe akperenchi onanyo nukawe atatuoro nukawe atana na nyo awu alena lefia numao je ba bia no yaba ka ngumro nyona mo ko nya bo ngene na nyona ma jima ka je na strong aleke am chona roki ko dashi na yento pon popo ento ko taro ji ento ko dirikuku ento nyona me pire kwa enyalenye na macho dokyo dashi chiblibo macho kutrikuku ntepo wa tutu ko fure wonto onyawo ma akmokona alle bobwebe amo banya na kamito cho myoto ya banya mi be ke tora ko na shiu enkendi aka no ira mo ke o anye do bonto tora ka ma po to ke minfun minyawo didri apasa legede ewebu ene chua jona akaba bianye bodi meke wogan sigera mi ngono myoto mi aro kyuba mi meka kwani de ande shi kranto bodi miawa taruji mare le miashu aroyo mi ngono na bebe mi here. You see, you are important. Un tonto here. Akaja aro yoro mingona be mi aro mingona merkyobe. Ora na ya bakari. Me hiya wene. Kama bubu. Nya matamyo. Nyayo maka diara ke bela biye ko na ko. Ta amula rani ika ma at the Fumendia, Locula Bopli. Nya Tabuna Shaw Kaju Hina Pomna Sema, Funya and Yaum, Uma Pomna Parigaka Fi Matao, Imamo Joji, Mishua Lake, Yachumiapa Jibu, a chop, Brumian to Yapa Tribu, Nenemai Yatatu Miado Kyo, Nenemai Yata Ingo, Nenemai Yata Yamdabo Laima. Kake Abwe, the Mananaco to me, Hiana won't show my more than a mine and maybe pass on his own. Then the mine, Yacha Abba, were one comment. That be the word. I'm ending up the motivational segment again with a message. The more you commit to yourself, the more your life improves. Get committed to your education. If that is what you need to be doing now, get committed to your child upbringing. If that is what you need now, get committed to that parenting. It's a stage you must pass. Get committed to the relationship. It's a stage. Get committed to the marriage. It's a stage. Get committed to your business. It's a stage. Get committed to your work plan, your dream body goal, your dream car, your dream apartment, your dream job. Get committed to all these things and run towards it. That is how your life improves. No one improves our lives for us except us. Well, Mia Mpola Mopamavo, Mia ihoide.com. Apo Nkara Nyanya Jojo Yuka Nyanya Jojo Tocho Lafuma. Oide.com Nyanya Jojo Kaka Parek, she get a down, Punya Yoka. Camille Amuka Ntom a die Nyaba to Manyomaso a poor. I just want to be on to Yamapo. Afi ne Mapo Najo Bano, Apapanto, Majojo Mafa, Ajuam. Mia Obetu because Gandre Minity. Black ton na bu gandre meti black ton a ko don chuchu biare atro aba asonran go ble na jojo pa ba no pa banto mo chuchu na bu gania nye am pe to ya ro yo ke chu en discipline bi mo be grechi ala we ya chu nyam oide.com Gareth Mark 60 years of service in home. Ghana's Mark 60 years of service in home. Ghana's Nyaboma Batagbao can Rasetria Fuji wana to wana Afuji la Imba or Batagbao. Over Yabo over Blandre. One atoria periare dicho the barracks. You were Amapotohenia, James Kumia, Volta Regional Minister. And that's our first story here. Volta Regional Minister Honorable James Kumu has joined with the 66th Artillery Regiment of the Ghana Armed Forces to commemorate their 60th anniversary Grand Gala. The event was held at the Volta Barracks in Ho under the theme 6 Decades of Dedicated Service. The celebration was attended by dignitaries including Honorable Prosper Douglas Bani, the guest of honor, and His Excellency Gabriel Tanko Kwamiga Tukple, the Volta Region's representative to the Council of State. And in his remarks, the 16th Artillery Brigade praised the regiment for its outstanding performance in international peacekeeping missions. The 66th Artillery Regiment has a rich history dating back to 1966. And over the years, the regiment has played a critical role in maintaining peace and stability in the Volta region and OT regions, particularly in communities such as Nkunya, Alabanyo, and Nkwanta. The regiment has also participated in international peacekeeping missions in Liberia, Sierra Leone, and Lebanon. Lieutenant Colonel John Dean Ibrahim, commanding officer of the 66th Artillery Regiment, expressed gratitude for the recognition and support. James Gunu commended the regiment for his dedication and service to the nation, urging them to continue their good work. The celebration highlighted the regiment's commitment to excellence and its role as a pillar of strength within the Ghana Army. As Brigadier General Ahmed Bo noted, the work of a gunner requires precision, expertise, teamwork, and discipline, qualities that the 66th Artillery Regiment has consistently demonstrated over the past 6 decades. A joy cover in the barracks in the warfare. Sojao Owo Azan Tokere Uduaza Tokere Korunku over Black Hohoji. 66th Artillery Regiment of the Ghana Armed Forces Sikala Warfare the barracks. When you are talking of Mamiapa Mugan Tomajipola, James Gunu, Komiga Tanko Gabriel, Komiga Tokle, he Ganye Miapa Council of State, Manola Alu, Adandulaga, Okola Anofma. Brigadier General Salon Kwesi Amango, he Ganya Commander Alu Nolaga, Badelaga. Atabao ihan of Maabum, Kirk Iroko. Commander Burr, the Hoho, Mora Budung, for that Damanomi, Yenya, Toika, Yo Atabayo. Da Yo Jababa, Wodo, Lempunya, Alabano, Tumogatam. Fio Hunyanoni, Nquantakata, your way of Ma, a few mofa. Tap. La volta ko tu to magata yo bani mano na munya a khoni no re nto paro manya gana re ikina muganto ko tin to mo ko to yo ina fulapwa yo la fula Liberia la fula Sierra Leone la fula Lebanon le pa den yo ke iba ime yo ke yo kwato ayi botane mashame ikanya soja Paras, but no, it's your own temple. Ocho Jifa, the Quiji do what tradi a hoset, a call as a subotuko. Da any yapanto, Ikachu Yapa, Tomafia. Armored vehicle theft, big ends in capture. Me, Babomba, Nyara Jojo, Yanya, baby, Ganyan cooking. The Kajare Kaku Blab for the Ejababeashi. Police over a armor vehicle, a Sasa Gacho Plateau, a power Wapaifu. Ovito armored vehicle, the Kajare Kaku Blab for the Nkonya Benesa Frimpon, Jababa. Armored vehicle theft, big ends in capture only. Arafulo, Bibiare, Magibano, Mamiago, Wetby, Elam, Gang, Boffin, and Yakblock, armored vehicle of Gradu, Zona Blow, Aba, who never formal of Manchu, and if you can go guy, if you can go guy to it. One of them, if you can pack girl. A 26-year-old man, Ebenezer Frimpong, is in police custody for allegedly attempting to steal an armored vehicle belonging to the Ghana Police Service at Nkwawie in the Ashanti region. The suspect was arrested following a high-speed chase by SWAT team along the Ebuakwa-Kumasi Road. The incident occurred when the police driver briefly left the vehicle unattended with the engine running while purchasing medication. Frimpong allegedly seized the opportunity to make a getaway but was pursued by SWAT team. Eyewitnesses describes the chase as intense, with the armored vehicle weaving through traffic before finally being apprehended. The police have recovered the vehicle, and Frimpong is facing charges. The Ashanti Regional Police Commander, ACP David Kwanpo, praised the swift response of the SWAT team, saying, "We will not tolerate attempts to compromise the security of our personnel and assets." The incident has raised concerns again about security protocols within the police service, and the police are reviewing procedures to prevent similar incidents. Nyaraka kemi kota micho miapa muganto kwa duka shanting to Frimpong. The kajebi ka ho bla before the yonyanya. Over baki amoka nye mono somble. America baki anya pomito edibe aga chicken ara. Eu baki amachi julam. Eko the kaja jojo kwama. The giana kwa gohi. O anya kenyen. Obito futuplero pre tumala bobu. Alaba obali. Ne tibia ki ponko. The kajo no tata malafuma. Oyako ojagba be afia. Ya de tibia. Anya re funtoro. Ke amuba biama de bia la mufia. Ghana Police Service armored vehicle logo la baji. JP Ghana Police Service in your registration. Armored vehicle umekone marakama kuna armored vehicle like Ghana Road Safety Commission like DVLA ma register na armored vehicle na do bishin marakama la Ghana choka to populaji you minister kata ike amoka zangas private car ne jiraba ha maraka mbulagana abajiru dogo yoka olaf oda tu ike hiaba onu saso zamo bezana ngia da nyamya wa nyamusamu na boganyide mano mokpom ne amagogo tokaro be okpere chinya jonya wo nya kata mabulo na mia nyenya kenyenye susu nye do susu enya enya ka nyekia enya ke nyesia echi enya ke da miao bila toji mia sebe ka je ana no programchi eko joma na ba masa ala ba story di kopi bovito ha yo pa kwa mo program bovito ke la fio bila safiara kwa naba papa injili shishiro ha ndono yego yoyo nyaba na fi onye o fudu broro o mo fudu broro o jesu o mo jesu o lage ni kata o nya bo jesu re ko do ma hi na bo don de ya na kuma ko ga da te pare ina na re do kwanchi o na mu kaka do kwanchi acho awo mfufu do ma hi o paro watanye mhahia alomchichi alomsasa alomufuforo lomahieta pe boba global men ku baba back o charge for getting like na no nya ku vito achu wa movie ko aba ekole para kwa ko yesa masa kwa mo double gana do mahia otabwe ama no mia mo kunu sare kalenya anyway so that's what it is. And that is really trending. That's a trending story, trust me. That's a real trending story today. Frimpong in chains for attempting to fool around with the Ghana Police Service. So that is that. Me Mokbomba, yeah, that's things like this. I think we need to hear from the police administration too. So let's see how the show goes. We'll get some update. We'll get some update on this, and we'll take it from there. Na don kuji ba milen tiona ba koma je paji ke ata akpo mile Facebook jina i Facebook fifila nya bokala fuma na aten amro go adamu protam susuaro ramfa. So that is that. We have registration number GP1131. GP1131. And Ovito or Kona paint because no Namudeji Malabe of Yomutuna TVA Dananama of Uganda Yagaja Mutuna TVA. These are security, these are special arrangement and the police administration. Taro Kona paint no GP1131. Yenye weapon number. Ukango police wa ungu gaja. Fiki Bogatri. Bejraga. All right, so that's a very interesting training story. But let's go back to hovide.com. We tried hovide.com. Yakbo and Kawe Galafuma. There's something about the vice president. The vice president has traveled to Kokola, Open to able to Kokola Zomo. Minyaba to Kokola. To come. I want to confirm whether Kokola, but maybe we'll do that. Maybe my producers can help me to do that. Kaka Goremanchia, Vice President, also I traveled yesterday. Ghana's VP champions democracy in Barcelona. Vice President Jane Nana Opoku-Agyeman has touched down in Barcelona, Spain, to participate in the fourth high-level meeting of the Initiative in Defense of Democracy. She was warmly received by members of the Ghanaian community in Spain, led by Ghana's ambassador, His Excellency Kalsume Sinari Bafo, who briefed her on preparations and outlined the program and key engagements scheduled for the visit. The Vice President is expected to join global leaders in high-level discussions aimed at strengthening democratic governance and advancing collective efforts to safeguard democratic values. Her visit is part of Ghana's efforts to deepen international cooperation and reinforce democratic institutions amid rising global pressures. Professor Opoku-Agyeman will participate as a featured speaker at the event, which is being hosted by the Spanish government and the Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez. The summit will bring together heads of state and senior officials from countries including Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Uruguay, and Spain. Key issues on the agenda include combating disinformation, protecting digital integrity, tackling extremism, and addressing the ethical use of artificial intelligence. Leaders will also examine global security challenges and explore stronger cooperation between Africa and Latin America, particularly in areas of governance, innovation, and sustainable development. To conclude, Professor Na Jane Opoku-Agyeman, Yonya, Yeha Mafianto. To conclude, Spain, to conclude, Spain, led Barcelona. Afuma Monowabu, Ghana, Vio, Yokala, Spain. Odo Burenchi, Alava, Odo Wizoni, Wizon, Miatata, Wizon, Pepple, Sinari, Bafo, Ikanye, Miapa, Tokola, Tapanola, Spain, Winamopomba, Tokola, Wanamami. Got to in your one eye, Daddy, but to Cora, Uruguay, Spain, Chile, Plato, Alava, Wardoba, Damuatui, Nyapo, Aleka, Potem, Atu Hikakata, Nyapa Sosomina Swe Paona, Sosomina Swe, democracy, when Yaplomole, democracy, Sosomina Swe, and Blore Maglore, Blore Maglore, Ya, Amoruba. And that is just what it is. Piragua, tu ploro e kana na oda ko ne ame o chona sibide ko dana ko o khana ko le nya te bome o nya na nya te beturo ke ame kenya jidula ona ne mon ko ko o protocol e no paton kana ke ka dia yo ga ka ko o ga bijia le sangwa ka ga protocol kana o joba o da ko ye mabuji o da kran bua po para siton mayo na fresh juju gong 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 abale ke ya de mahawe manya nyama do mi le fio democracy bo nya do mi ka o di to mo ba e ko to ko pro pronto professor na chenu ko kwa ma hanya nyu ko lo to mo to ka ke tanya lo pipi de tanya ko dari over we nya ba o kuncho the ethical use of artificial intelligence. Ekwe, no tataru ma cheche mi on TV oji, yo kenye aleke mu cheche mafuma. Nemi no tata poma meta funya le no tata o. On kugecho, amoko kwe moda mu yo kwe samile fia. Atak boba nye me la fia. O na me la penyongwe no la shini. Me bagi vilashi mo bagi ke beli pura-pura to o so aba nyomine o na America to kokola o re na Ghana to kokola hicho o do wi da tani o mi nyam to kokola maro na bi o shi para da muni o nyomine o shi ala ke mo kata enya artificial intelligence ba paro o Mozambique ko amudum por konji o Mozambique ko achika na mamo fi ka no civil alo dono ji kolonona ọkụkọ abụọ abịa ọnya machine ụzọ sọmfịa abịa ọnya ko adonchiko eyi ba chọchikere ụzam le hotelu ụzam le lulu jabo fifia yo betoe donc projet tout ça fia mo li fia o mo abeto ene yo paro emo o nya tu come le tu come fia cha bere so jo no machi de wanu tu dam o de wada you shoot me I shoot you you fire I fire fia nya kasira mo jiko mo fun jiko mo le o ta se jiko tu pa ko ya me ge bien le tu pa le film ko ra shin jiko bo mo ma ji hamasa da nya jo kaka ko mi do san mi choro un fu me choro un mo me ro na bo fu na ja ko ko ni ata ko wa ko ro mo ko mo na fi an se ge gbazo o to fu do nya gbogbo ọta na mapun anu igbedo wa ba America yo me nya ko na cho America na nya mo kwa na ka fa le mo pume mo chi me do ko anya ka we yo nyo kata nya mo ko te tu me be wena mo ga chonchi leke miasa mi ko funo mi ko computer ko mo na dum kuyo a cho per to mambi ike ban be na didi nya nya do ke me la popone mia TV oggi me la shoot screen picture mana me osma ko sam beaucoup je to abla kwa le fia no hala ko mama le spin fi fly ma bo ya bo du ko la fuma ma bo His Excellency comment on dit mia former ambassador ka la fuma que Ghana community Ghana view yo que o le Spain o do o cho flaga cho do vivile minha vice president le Barcelona le Spain que yeah I think that's it ma paper aid ha ma po Pratt I'm a Pratt you can aid to the vice president. All right. Da amamo nyo enye mwaro yo kenye mo amon funcho nchi India. Vice president has arrived in Barcelona, Spain to participate in a fourth high-level meeting of Initiative in Defense of Democracy. In defense of democracy. Yo babajembe yona demokrasi na like ta sosomina so ko du pro ko kelini wa anya yele to mafia vice president is outside Ghana now Nyemasi hadaba nyawtu kokola bo nagboa wala apologia kanyi makuya da nema davua nyawtu kokola mabo like a vice president in Spain. So that's just what we have over there. All right, Ghana Africa Development Bank ties strengthening. Ghana's Minister of Foreign Affairs, Honorable Samuel Kujeto Ablakwa, has received the letters of credence of the African Development Bank country manager, Ms. Halima Yusuf Hashi, in a ceremony aimed at bolstering the country's development partnership. All right, so we have that there. Kujeto Ablakwa, African Development Bank for manager about Dogocho, about the Rokifian. It's as simple as that. About the Rokifian, Okujeto Ablakwa. Okujeto Ablakwa, the ways on it, the Cocola, the ways on low. So, Kachacha Ghana, Beta, Kajarapon Kanklacha, Kakara Africa Katan. So a letter of credence is basically an introduction, okay? It's basically an introduction. Letter of credence is just to introduce you officially to the president or his approved official, and that's just what it is. Okay, let's take a last story here. Last story at the Fiaco, Mia Azorambo, Ghana's economic revival gains traction. To foreign travels, I tell you. Ghana's economic revival gains traction. Ghana's Finance Minister, Dr. Cassiano Tuffosen, has assured international investors that the country's economic recovery is genuine and anchored in deep structural reforms. Addressing investors at the IMF World Bank spring meetings in Washington, Dr. Foster emphasized that Ghana's economic gains are a result of carefully designed policy interventions and legislative reform. All right, Dr. Cassiel outlined a broad suite of fiscal and structural reforms undertaken to stabilize the economy and restore investor confidence. These efforts include aggressive waste cutting, reduction in government size, and enforcement of mandatory commitment authorization regime to strengthen expenditure control. We have Gaja, we have a Gaji Bolaga, to call a Gaji Bolaga Casalato Force in Washington, D.C., in the U.S., America. Let talk about God, you come to court the over Gacharuba, but Gatuba to call you Gahianaga. God be the call, I don't know, but I have one more of a Ghana, but Gajan. Manya, no, young Ungachi, you, I will go Brombo, Joe, Chiramona go. Inamia Ponka Mio, Dr. Tempito, the Ghana. Kuna got to tell you, rich I have, rich I have gone to, but rich I have gone, and over from Kong, we went got to tell you. Were foundation, Komoro Baji, Julia, Motungo, Dr. Casava Paul, Ayoba, Banto, you did minister, Tomagan, you did you managed to move Pantan. That another guy can you as a summer edity. Juba Gabo, Ganapuna, Bayma, Odidi, Jigloba, Isia, Loma Gaga, Sanko, a Pupuna, Yuma, Ugachi Dolo, a contact of and a fish having a bell contact. You don't tell you much to blue. Your Reganchi, me and a Gasagana, Ocho Macoranchi, but don't do some woman, and I go a Gauga. Baying anymore. Aya plato obey you. You can put it to call Unyam. Can you cook a young sugar? Mima Muka Mukatao. ni ke tau ni ba America mi ba nya awesome le ya ko mo kung ya po bare olama pepe ha yo ado chuchu piara hoke ama troba nya yingo akora bare nya ko nya chuchu pa no ba ro nya ko ha ta ga kasi mi ko tibia mo ta ko na ko la ba ke ni ba o de ma bana lo na ma to ni ma ko nya wan ko se mi ma bana
Ago. Oh, what is? Let's go do it.
Ô còn thế mà đi bà đã quên làm đồ cái tụi bụi ta nhà chú mắt ra đi tuổi một vài nhà quăng giật có là kết là
Oh.
những mà vật phẩm những mà ta chân mắt chung mà nó chỉ có vô cùng
Tadi nanti Abraham tapi baraka ini le ya pasti ketikanya bobo ya wa. Basi hasbena di dila nuna fia. Koko ina duna fa garawunya ya nyapa no pasti bani ko hi wontam nyan kurama. Bola pasti ko nya ko katara ge.
bo mà nó chỉ có vô nó mà biết luôn
Vai batakalu sugo ita biga dada sikremon tonto. Bola pasti ko wa busielo weto fina.
Bây giờ vô là tô bố Ye man no chika ko Mokpong jaja
Vola chika no no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo mashama nazi
Nyapa tuto wala tuto fita itanye za vola chika nya tuma toro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
This Vola Piki. Vola baby.
mauna yura vola to ona wala masa
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa mala akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu la hoa apola old fashion la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodo ma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogo mantiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe okana vola le 0244 512 1450
Bola.
Nina ne miayi, bona ba senta, afima mi apoda yo la, nyadeba, bola.
E viva lo, akulori le fuda now, alele le fuda now, domaru le fuda now, echi de padaka, ofuto makata, mele to wonyi de wa, eti makolo no ba, na ile vola heba senta, ikele jengo aplau, Victoria Baka, afima na kodo, wotu akame, wafuto, wofukame, wofukame tutu dokada, vola heba senta. Dr. Prosper Debeneba. Come on.
Vola.
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yonu nama vikle de fio mo hopo ye fo
Ago.
Fua me gonla, ne poma bada batwe manya. Fua me na, ne poma bada batwe. Fua me gon, ne poma bada batwe manya la. Fua me na, ne poma bada batwe. Punya mentoli khafi Melak befuk bermula Nama pola moji Nama madi cava wobo Umalona namo de utakwenya ba mavajo gadele yegosi
yo mida pana mia pa mpolo mi le ka o ma ka plim ujibore na mabako ma chucho bima hawa mono mo pona mia pa nya chucho ba ro ba nya ko ka chucho ba mo lo kuma ta ba ro nya pa ta mi zo garango ano na jojo to tio yo ka cha cha nya ko funu ji to ayo ka chuto ko mta ko yo ka shi mta ko maje como city news you room in the city news room ya pona la city news room ya jo ba la kai ka won te ba mi kata mi nya la kana da shi ga ni ko ya ba jo ba lo ko mi sana ya te ko lo Kaya si tok lang pito yung magbabong mo niya may kuku niya song gamichi alaba yi mali crown ya miga gano yi umo ka niya ai city newsroom very quickly by me makbo prepare screen aji Publican AI Guta business groups suspend strike after government concessions. All right, Publican AI Guta business group suspend strike after government concessions. The Ghana Union of Traders Association, freight forwarders, and other business groups have agreed to suspend their planned industrial action following what they describe as key concessions from the government after a meeting with the Deputy Finance Minister and the Commissioner General of the Ghana Revenue Authority. The decision follows a meeting between the Joint Business Forum and government officials on Thursday, April 16, 2026, where discussions focused on concerns over the Publican AI system and its impact on valuation and trade practices. In the meeting, the business coalition presented 4 main demands, including immediate suspension of the Publican AI system, restoration of the existing appeal processes for valuation outcomes with guaranteed 24-hour turnaround, full disclosure of the system's operational details, and clearer terms of participation in a proposed multi-party committee. And according to the coalition, government agreed to revert the valuation appeals process to its previous structure and ensure all appeals are resolved within 24 hours. The Ministry of Finance also committed to expanding the appeals committee from 6 to 12 members. Both parties also agreed that the terms of reference for the proposed multi-party committee will be jointly developed on Monday, April 2026. However, government maintained its position on the Publican AI system, declining calls for its suspension. Officials said instead that concerns should be addressed through the proposed multi-party committee. Birago, Dora regime, regime, Ministry of Finance, Ghana Revenue Authority. Ghana, Yoyoka le Meli Sichacha me. Amuketo Chubeta to come, Black Chubeta to come, play Warwick Hachoga, but Belameon. No bridge will go, Shukuaga now. A funweo, a whale, a modomoweo. Simiti obo ami ke ba isheke trona ikenchi trona shi oba suna mo memi pepe la shi chala ya onchi abobolo shi anabe odona jo beta ko ma ko bana wo we khana jo ka glen Cloud. For you have your two more down to create your younger public AI system. Yeah, I'm a patch of alcohol and I'm 50-50 black in a energy. Lego John I'm a tabian of young above Vienna Church of Beta to come available in Yangua. With your guy, coach of club, we are doing $100,000 out of $50,000. Come a quarter of yam where she go to Nagua. Alona, paper, your better banchicata, who did yashini. Kind of yam about a canal like I could help at your gahoyan. And I'm about your guy of an idea in your short collection. Baffy Papa, we all won't care a little fear alarm at your guy or your coherence. The matter, bottom the carpet, mamma. Jiduba, Fifia, no young fool, Waponco, Fio, we trade a boy or machine and double work Viala, Ajabo, Nano. Ramata, a Jogalo taxi, Nanole, but what's my garden? A man do that bomb a little bit. Any John, a Ghana Revenue Authority door, Miss Obama Sapon, Miss Technical Advisor to the GRA boss, a Power Blue, LCA Power Blue, how Ukata Company, Home. Fia, Banya GBB, about GBB, Bene, America, and Melish Chachama. As she look at that baton, Baron, but that to come at Baton, but that to come Okata, Obiji. I'm a back away, I'm a rock by Choncho Ghana, but that to come for the energy rugby. I'm a rock by Choncho, but that to come over Ghana, exporters and importers. Why for the rugby? What by come up with Blana Congo when you buy Okachombo, but that to come a Kokana Valley. Inputs. Tao brand you rubber. Chan Chaffy Jury and Abba. John Dramani Mama Jury and Abba. Dodo Liber, no chu Lampona, now ticket with a hat your guy, let your gas suboban. You apply. Appeal process adeli about our Gawa gas suboban. Alabak Bangia and Yellow container mania. Afi Unaka. Sanato Yama 24 hours you will resolve your concerns. I'm on my den. Yellow committee aji, you can one above Udem Ashichala for versus Sum, not do order Liaobi. I don't let the Bachona who Pashi, Adonane, we. Adoya, Guacho to Kuala Magaka over to Kuala Mucho. Get a choke bad to come and choke the other to come out to come no steer a buship by Yamion, Ghana Tommy, and Miapaji was Tiachi. They are a Jabana penalty. Aroyo, work we are all over age of Chiapa. About what Chiapa, Jabana set charge, Nagaka Gare, about what Chiapa. I can't lay your man. I'm a better. That all gallon more than Zamu or computer Zamu, garbage in garbage out. I'm a better that who are more for that. Da, I'm on my down all line or you have a 14. No, but her tax the nanaki must serve on one, a drop on your coil, Cabantoina, or review on ya. Gagreka Makuana Toya. Gaka Yoko public AI system Avia. Oh, I'm a Mugatom. No moya global where I hold up with a guy or a Jiru water, le wana, le dog of my dona who Monia, I was Subolaca. Who dog bagana you? Da, Yojiwe, Yoba Machacha no. Appeal process yaman. I'm on my day, you can on you on a tabaka, then I'm quite a canama. Yojiba Nuchi. No children also am a beer for your high OG Obama room. Failure. No, the public AI system, Anna. Ogara Macho Jiruba, public AI system, and Matagara. Can you your when you put the public AI to ticket in over Navaja, where there were bad here. nama jamua ke yoga appeal process mako gabe review process ma yo trogabe basu sube na yama moko yo loba yo wa ma wasu amawiye befa enya is technical. Eno city is good in business, trust me. Da bagbaga klake ko yan acho na no nasara. The Ghana Union of Traders Association (GUTA), freight forwarders and other business groups have agreed to suspend their planned industrial action, following what they describe as key concessions from the government after a meeting with the Deputy Finance Minister and Commissioner General of the Ghana Revenue Service. The decision follows a meeting between the Joint Business Forum and government officials on Thursday, that was yesterday, where discussions focused on concerns about the Publican AI system and its impact on valuation and trade processes. At the meeting, the Business Coalition presented 4 main demands, including the immediate suspension of the Publican AI system, restoring of the existing appeals process for the valuation of outcomes with guaranteed 24-hour turnaround, full disclosure of the system's operational details, and clearer terms of participation in the proposed multi-party committee. And according to the coalition, government agreed to revert the valuation appeals process to its previous structure and ensure that all appeals are resolved within 24 hours. The Ministry of Finance also committed to expanding the appeals committee from 6 to 12 members. Both parties have agreed that the terms of reference of the proposed multi-party committee will be jointly developed by Monday. However, government maintained its position on the Publican AI system, declining calls for its suspension. Officials said instead that concerns should be addressed through the proposed multi-party committee. Miano Ponda, Jerry Tomulo Nabel camera. When I tell me a shock. You can Domaga, Nigeria, and Ofia. I'm going to Ofia, Yakwara, Yase Bomba. There and all right, Mia Sinchi, Mia Ireland. Government releases funds to clear UK scholarship arrears. Oh, beautiful. Government releases funds to clear UK scholarship arrears. You don't put you Ghana Biaro wire UK to come and have a room, a foil with your yoga, Odora classroom for my hero. Or a scholarship G, or a Sukuka for her, Sukufio, let all. Sukulu Mabaka, Mr. Cynthia, government has released funds, demonstration, who don't budget Duba, Sukuvio son, le placard Rashi, over the embassy, Ocho embassy, by the Fico, Uncle, Blanco, fine. All over, Manawa, Jura Hofa. That's a good one. Mega job. Strike. Nanebe miaumi ke minyabe jebe yowo. Ne minyabe galio jebe yowo ko bihi. Boga gble jiwa bonko le beta buko he o happy. Yabanu ga khum. Yo kata affect na student credibility, visa rating, platform about that. All right, government releases money to clear scholarship arrears. The Ghana Scholarship Authority has announced that the government has released first quarter funds to the Ghana High Commission in the United Kingdom to begin the payment of outstanding scholarship arrears owed to Ghanaian students. And according to the authority, the intervention is part of efforts to clear delays in the payment of stipends and tuition fees that have affected several Ghanaian beneficiaries studying at various institutions across the UK. In a statement signed by the Director General of the Ghana Scholarship Authority, Alice Weku Asafweje, and issued on Thursday, April 16, 2026, the authority acknowledged the concerns raised by affected students and expressed regret over the inconvenience caused by the delays, assuring steps are being being taken to restore normal payment schedules. Eman Jirua Edashi Jimbanto Tompa Gayo Schoolview stipends Schoolview Betado Common from Matoma when I have no stipend to Yaroham or Chomunduli. Aki Oko Chioplato Woher Jimbanto. That's a good one. NPRA denies claim CO double salary. NPRA claim NPRA denies claim CO double salary. The National Pensions Regulatory Authority has rejected accusations by minority in Parliament alleging that its Chief Executive Officer Chris Boedi Mensah doubled his salary upon assuming office. The allegations were made during the press conference held on Thursday, April 16, by the Member of Parliament of Old Tafo Vincent Ekwe Esafua. Addressing journalists, the MP claimed that Mr. Boedi Mensah had unilaterally increased his own salary shortly after taking office in February 2025, at a time when the NPRA board had not yet been constituted. The claim quickly drew a response from the authority, which issued a counter press release to provide context to the circumstances surrounding the CEO's remuneration. According to NPRA, the assertions made by the MP are inaccurate and fail to reflect decisions taken prior to the current administration of the authority. The regulator explained that salary adjustments referenced by the MP were in fact approved before Mr. Boedi Mensah assumed office. NPRA authority noted that a 25% salary increment had already been approved in September 2024, with implementation scheduled to take effect from 1st January 2025, weeks before Boedi Mensah appointment as CEO. Reiterating its position, the NPRA stated that the claim that Mr. Chris Boedi Mensah doubled his salary after assuming office is completely untrue. The last board under the immediate past government approved a 25% salary increment in September 2024, effective to be effected by 1st January 2025 before his assumption on around. That be National Pensions Regulatory Authority, you were the Wake Corner, the work where the shady jog, Jidu dollar, Kishi dollar, Ishi, or Chok for now, where Fouta, Bovito do Wake Dam, Top of the shady Gajon, Aber Snit, Cap 30, Avi Provident Fanso, the Shamaka Gafi John, Amo for 2 men, but watch on for him now, Nova. Ojujo blood blood to mola your Chief Executive Officer Chris Boedi Mensah Banya the Parliament over Lovaro the for two Generoki Akakola Jabonos no corner Alofara Cane a chord fire Veneroki Jirupa Doba corner pension firm so okay. What do not you Nana to Nampa before but you who wake by Dito Mubba Banto 1st January 2025. I did what the 25% Mama and the Tomagan for 2G. Oh, Dodoya Daddy, Afiji Ruba Trojo Boveto over Chien Amaburan and Tomaga. Chris Boedi is enjoying decision taken under the previous administration. Ta Nyamakata Brom and the Pitobe MPO the Parliament Malatabo. Ayo Abu Ganyina Kamasuba Maho Yamapo the Wana Ta Maho Dumachuchu Alawa Mia Atro Azonabo Tony Magbo Enyamia from Akashi Tibiamo, one of 59 Yajunya.
Utakwenya ba mava khonu dudu le o bola fuwa me wo ne po ma ba da ba to e mava wo susu ba ma ji se mi ja de no kukumula na ma le ko nya ka ma du nu ma tu kho fe la ma no ma se do ba nya we sao fuwa me wo ne po ma ba da ba to e fuwa me wo la ne po ma ba da ba to e ma nya fuwa me na ne po ma ba da ba to e punya mo to li khafi me la ba fu ba mo le na ma po le moji na ba ma di cha va wo bo o ma lo na na mo krola o to kwenya ba ma va ho ga de le ye wo si o to kwenya ba ma va ho nu du du le ye o bola fuwa me na ne po ma ba da ba to e ma va o su su ba ma jim se mi ja de no kukumula na mo le ko ya ka ma du nu ma tu kho fa ma no ma se do pa nya we sao fuwa me won la ne po ma ba da ba to e ma va o su su ba ma ji se mi ja de no kukumuse na mo le ko ya ka ma du nu ma tu kho fa ma no ma se do pa nya we sao fuwa me won la ne po ma ba da ba to e fuwa me na la ne po ma ba da ba to e ma nya fuwa me na ne po ma ba da ba to e fuwa me wo ne po ma ba da ba to e ma nya se wa fuwa me na ne po ma ba da ba to e fuwa me wo la ne po ma ba da ba to e ma nya la fuwa me ne po ma ba da ba to e fuwa me na la ne po ma ba da ba to e ma nya abla fuwa me ne po ma ba da ba to e fuwa me won la ne po ma ba da ba to e ma nya fuwa me na ne po ma ba da ba to e fuwa me won ne po ma ba da ba to e ma nya la fuwa me na ne po ma ba da ba to e punya mo to le khafi me la ba fu ba mo la na ma po le moji na ba ma di cha va wo bo o mo lo na mo de o ta kwenya ba ma va ho ga de le ye o si o ta kwenya ba ma va ho nu du du le ye o bola fuwa me wo ne po ma ba da ba to e ma va o su su ba ma ji se mi ja de no kukumula na ma le ko nhà khá mà đủ nụ mà chú khó phê là mơ mà noa mơ xì đó bờ nhà quê sao phù hoa mê vô nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi phù hoa mê vô là nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi mơ nhớ phù hoa mê na nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi Pô nhớ mơ tơ li khá phi mơ lạc bờ phục bờ mô lẹ nè mơ bò lơ mô gì nè bờ mà đi chà vào ô bò ô mơ lò nà nè mô ô mơ lò nà nè mô krô la ô tò quê nhớ bờ mà va khó gà đê lê yê ô si ô tò quê nhớ bờ mà va khó nung tù đồ lê ô bò la phù hoa mê na nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi mà va ô su su bờ mà jim dè mi già đê nó cụ mô la nè mò lì cô nhà khá mà đủ nụ mà chú khó phê mơ mà noa mơ xì đó bờ nhà quê sao phù hoa mê vô la nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi mơ va ô su su bờ mà jim dè mi già đê nó cụ mô say nè mò lì cô nhà khá mà đủ nụ mà chú khó phê mơ mà noa mơ xì đó bờ nhà quê sao phù hoa mê vô la nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi phù hoa mê na la nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi mơ nhớ phù hoa mê na nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi phù hoa mê vô nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi mơ nhớ say hoa phù hoa mê na nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi phù hoa mê vô la nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi mơ nhớ la phù hoa mê nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi phù hoa mê na la nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi mơ nhớ abla phù hoa mê nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi phù hoa mê vô la nè bò mà bà đà bà tôi mơ nhớ
Yo, mia pompola, kama suba mia kare mia fe, nyama juju, ke nyakule Richard Akosuke, ike da nyamne NPP, le mia ba amuga, mto mafia kata, do yele bonye. Honorable Wisdom.
Tony Mazolamu.
Ayo, agba nyaoli, mi kama mi miachu, nyaje kumachu, domanyo, wanare ike tukọgbọrọchi gawo ike echo ina mufu chungwe afin nyaka Ibrahim Mama fund $70,000 life-saving treatment for 3 children in 24 hours. Tukọgbọrọchi they got $70,000. Na mama begama derekwa gamanye 800 billion who and that's what borrow. Ghanaian businessman and chief executive officer of indigenous mining firm Engineers and Planners Company Ibrahim Mahama has funded life-saving medical treatments worth $70,000 within 24 hours. The interventions include $40,000 for a kidney transplant for 13-year-old Jeffrey Boachi, $15,000 for a heart and whole surgery for 2-year-old Elora Adai, and another $15,000 for brain surgery for a senior high school student. Jeffrey has been battling kidney failure and has been undergoing dialysis 3 days a week at Konfanochi Hospital. On and on and on. So this is a story. People are looking at this story. And Honorable, this just on a very light note. This man is being philanthropic and is doing a lot to help people. Is this the best way to do it? Do couple out chase got $70,000 that among a tonchi. Amara Amara Tulachi money, a chiro hatu, a do rule like Martibo by a trejima, Utawaga, Plato, Amqua, you walk on Mary, but that to come. I will to couple out chase, Domino, Namia, a young boy.
Oh, yeah, it's a good call, you know. And as a businessman, to Alemba, at least your corporate responsibilities, once in a while, you need to stretch your hands to the good people of that country because you are benefiting from them. You understand? You are giving the resources of this land. You are using it for your personal gain. So you also have to reciprocate in favor to the good people of Ghana. That is a good call, is it? It's just surprisingly, it looks like our media are being selective when it comes to this kind of things. Because I'm a Gadaola to call media, I will be more than what he is doing. You see, the first guy construction company, Mr. Dr. Eche, that guy is from the Votasiri man. He does kidney transplants. He has a whole philanthropy group that is into kidney transplants. And he's doing it over the years now. During our regime, he's done that for a lot of people, mostly at Kolebu Teaching Hospital. He's done that over the years, and he's still doing it. A lot of people will have to come on board. I said, well, because as a nation that we pride, if you have a nation, you start pride in it, you have business people, rich people who have money to buy some assets for themselves, like the private jet. It is just fair that you can stretch your hands to your nationals, the needy ones who need those supports. It is in a good call, especially if somehow someone you benefit from the state. If somehow someone you benefit from the state, it's just appropriately you pay back what you have gotten from the state as means of philanthropic work. A lot of such things are going on in the country, but it is just good as a media, the media, the stretches, open your umbrella very wide and see all those who are into those philanthropic group. A few weeks ago,
Honorable Ibrahim Muhammad Okoroche, Ekbara Momotonchi, Lemogar, in a media selective, Alo Najo Kakapo, Miyashi Chamashi, Abo Yimanyana Amayo Yonana, you come upon my hand to two. Okbemi, Emi Mava, Fee, he come a rofia, and yak burger.
No. Journalism is not about invitation.
Never nana mare the ponji. And if you know if you are in Trafaka, municipal Confanoche, Hollywood. Ta da Shimiagami, Manya Afakala Minion, Yanabamia Rochimuta, Nyamanyane. Ameya ye tobe bemi alo ye dere duaja ye mi bemi opunchun tani match bo beke ami topic anye kaka mi ba ma buare to project ni ke ba ni ma bemi ya be ba ti ya kere mo bemi ba ke bemi.
No, if that is your understanding of the analysis, then it is very unfair. See, as a media house, you have to be a fish for information.
Fish are like I'm a jet dollar conji. As in the theater, almost me the theater. Kafla me way simple now. America funga fish like. Over no do you know where the clock of Baba Yafia, no one did do a cababa le conchi le theater. Na Banyawa Doko madare GH1 news.
Because they went for it. It's a
no, oko oyo nyajojo kaka.
It's not a press release. Many press release.
No, I'm not talking about press release, but we're number all the TV nena nature chomde. Me feel one molo. And you mele bando, you mele beto, you mele hoko. Hiha make me lefia. Ejabo now effort ade. Eblonya you makbebo, you makbonya. Like blom levedi. Kano nyabe. Mako to jalo makafe miode. Blomele, you said we should fish information. How can we fish into people's words? Medical issues.
But as a media house, that is why you have to go and look for information and feed your listeners.
Topic medical bill.
But I spoke about it. But Bonabi, it is a good call. A lot of people have to come on board. Thousands of people are doing such things. But the favoritism in employment, I'm all about you don't even hear about it. How do you entice such a person? If one particular individual is doing it and the media is carrying it, the other people who are doing the media can do it, doesn't entice them.
My current fear me Trafalgar fear. Yeah, omona kidney transplant Trafalgar. Tamiacho of food about bottom.
Yes.
I'm all about giving the emergency. Avant ma deto, elle veut bien le bebe, fuakra, yo fugare yo, bafuchime. Ujibo chuka bubore we. Anya benya jojo kakala, do mia benya jojo kakabanka, do jimia, de jimi demi gere trafagano, nya biema mola bachime de kare kalo mia de konji bo tata bo webo, minya yo maro bana mina na fia ni mia.
It is your as a let my way fishing out for news as a media house.
Let me
when you send your reporters out there. Go look for story for. If you want to sit down for the story to come, and people who are the creator of the story to invite you before you come. You always be giving a second-hand information. But for first-hand information, or to be the originator of a story, it's last 2 days. Ghana Immigration Service, they did a blood donation and cervical cancer screening the whole year. You understand? Which is it also is in line with this same thing, but it was not spoken about. You could go to Trafalgar today, as you are saying.
I will not allow you to use our platform to do press for those people. Miami le toyame. Fiaro mi baro. Ocho me joke ho. Anya go say me.
Anya ka argument le fio.
Me argument le fio anyway. GH1 who call.
They never had a call.
Cho come for Anoche Teaching Hospital. But I'm no kind of fan. Reports are not found by the viewer Omodolia to the viewer. That gap we are you change you join activity where mobile number la fuma logo gara. Eba go bromedi. GH1 leki. Confanoche but do omojim sala shanting to me. Ne eblunyama babanyama bolo gakade. Miao ha mission lake be corner. Toji, alumi kana fanya jo kaka ko nyama bro kaka jo nyama bro.
So I want to be the people such activities as such you the media need to be invited.
Yes, you have to draw attention to it. It's part of it because media is a not citizen journalism. Maybe many media like if you can show media or what you know about media and I don't undermine you kaka. I'm drawing attention, but you're not citizen interest journalism and community interest journalism. Radio, TV, more local show. We are part of the community. We contribute to it. It's our opinion segment, the newspaper. And I go and say, Mahonia de Raka, she and one mongo, Swaniko, or that, or move. Makapo to give me an Africa,
no, Tony, your argument is somewhere. As you don't wait, babe. Someone invite you to come for a news show. If you are doing that, you are not really helping in creating news. At times, even moving on the street yourself, you can generate news. You don't have to be waited to be called upon being a and a few weeks ago, one of Kennedy Akumpre, he built a whole facility at the hospital, which is more than what we are talking about now. Yes. A whole facility which works about the heart. You understand? A few weeks ago, not too long ago, he commissioned it, a whole facility with equipment. I said, well, it's a good call. I know a lot of philanthropic works are ongoing in this country. To entice Amorobi, they will be Ibrahim Muhammad or the Baby Lebroma. And I beg you, the winner will have to. How do we hire that? Because they are well, the media will speak about it and it will give him credit. Amorobi, they are doing philanthropic work. They don't want their names to be mentioned because they don't want to be known in the front line.
So let me now ask you, Amaro, they are not ready to be mentioned. Amaro, you are coming back to citizen journalism, which is Mia Nyajojo Kakako, Mia Muroke Nyajojo Kakamna, Amade Kaomini, Ejebe, Mia Ada Bomania Afi Ataudo. It applies to even there are two industries, two departments in the state that run that way. Police is also that way. And I go and say, many of police now cham be you fiafi jimala po. Takana papa many water ejebena you never report na police. So nya na bro nyami ko nya bro na ko donji. And I go and say, so this na you these two institutions, media and police, we are all responsible for it. And I bet no area fiam konfia me don't fia na job feel like the party. Don't you have a better kojobi wa madara kojobi la femme. Away ya blame. Nya you must go news ji tabana cha la mara be ha femme. Ta way go blogger be away tofi figana mi be o wa madara fiale. I thought you should emphasize this thing because in the Volta region, I know that is what is wrong with it.
Which is
not working with the media well.
Maybe Tony, you are getting this whole thing twisted. The media, your responsibility is to go and fish for information for your listeners.
And there are some pieces of information that we can't have access to because we can't just know. Maybe Bobo Wamare that a breach there.
Those are reported species.
They are part of media.
It's part of it, I'm not denying. But as a media house, for you to be taken very, very credible for your listeners, you have to give first-hand information. But if you go and give information, and that is why in media, every story has a source.
Everything is reported. There's nothing that's not reported. Whether secondary or primary, everything.
Let's leave. You are just trying to
no, help. No, I'm not with devil. Memfia means from Babylon, the Yatsala, Mabonambedi. Nay, Yagbele. You said if you put woman or that the cheated. Nya, you must broke Manaja Joji, Tabacha, Mubak Blomo. A way to fuga Akonya Mavinami. Nella can do me in a Papa Marco Fun, she can do mamma. Allo Amarebe bag, Vichafia, away can do as a responsible citizen, away bag if Machoka call the station. That must so yame. Gakana mother, Efia, where a jibvo, yo, jabo, dochonchi, Yeme deploy, but how do we know?
How do you know this baby? This media house, they went to the hospital and saw that somebody is crying in need. And they took the responsibility upon themselves. Open in, called in for philanthropists. That is what I am talking about.
Which is good. If you had ended a she and Chiba serene view, when you remember, no,
I'm giving you an example. Because maybe you were not paying attention to me. A lot of people do such things. I'm just giving one example. But the coverage of it is not as it is for some group of people. Not for the demology, it will not entice the people to do more. Let's give individuals equal treatment.
That's good.
That's what I am saying.
And add to them that we are citizens and we are working together. Media is not disjointed from community. So community is part of journalism. The only thing
I am not siding with Union B, your argument B. It is the citizenry who have to call you media to give you news all the time. It must
be talking about news. What's talking about news? Nibo Blombe, Nanajo, Mioha Mishoneka, Okona, Toji, Nami, Alabama, Boba, Alabora Mafia, Osofo, but code if you back in a degree of Bolaji, in a shimbi. Odi de Vima, Ludiji. Lego Kafia media because as Sanka be the Keum, Modi Mama, media house are recommend chacha the ball at you. Me my chana ball at you by Gina News. Ta fear none mia a wow, no strong like no number on TV, they know your number. Then you check a mia auto. You could bromele. I didn't disagree with you, but don't slide off. You will
not come to agreement, so let's just leave that.
Why should it come?
Because what I just the argument I make with media be, if let's assume I have new students in news reporting or news gathering, it is you, the news gatherer, you have to go fish for information. Because the layman doesn't know how to draft a news.
Okay, maybe hold on. Now let's go here. Le pesmo kajaimba nko jona.
That's not news.
That's not what.
That is not news.
Define news.
Good. News is something that is current, existing, of interest. This one, somebody has misplaced his identity or something, and you are just placing an announcement.
So it's what?
It is not news. You
define
understand what news is. There must be a proximity. There must be urgency. There must be audience. This one, it is one particular person you are serving that notice to. That Tony McBoy, your car key has been left at a particular place. But news, there must be a proximity.
No.
It must fit some group of people. You take it. It's Matako police station. I live in there.
Good. Hello.
Let us say the media house there. I'll go there for an
announcement. A police media but miapo community one ato. Tanet amadeva nem serin muka nyi. Nyomi le fia. Ye mako tujina myo enebo nyoje myo chacha. Ka yo chacha no be gram over ogama.
If you like actually news you go wala gi. News you go wala gi. There could be no any. There be no or your happy hour news or your news anchors go and gather news.
Manje mi no na you. Kakema go bomba pada man chihade. Oyo na mi ha. Ekuma bro.
Ya na mele yo wi. I'm never news mo. You can now reported that.
Manje topic anya making no. Dasha pamanchi. Ewe nya yoge ko mi woge nya la. Mi woge. Barapu. It was a good point. I like the Dashi, Mahama, Panyanchi, the Konachome, they didn't talk about it. But the Amato, you Bamia, Punchuja, you cheer. At that terrible, we don't want your cameras.
Yes, the Mahama, I think you were told how I want Talakba. But what I be, it is a good call to entice people to do more. Let's make sure we give everybody equal and people who are to this.
Now me worry. Now I so now I don't show me on my bro. Not puncho citizen generation. Now puncho air jacking. Topic and got that in ye. Not true. I'm a philanthropic work you go. And I think you never am a book for them nama. A news nama. You understand? You have hijacked the conversation.
I mean, you are educating me on news now. See, now information is not news. News you have, and now you will gather informations and put those informations into newsworthy. No matter the way you say they newsworthy.
No, I can't hear newsworthy. It's citizen interest journalism.
No,
it's newsworthy. So we are not discussing things that are not newsworthy.
In this aspect, I am not against Ibrahim Mahama's philanthropy.
So, Fiami Unyam, Nemia topic Boji. Then you have no hand philanthropic work at home. You drove Jonas Sonkoa, don't Puji, na Kafamide to Bana.
No, many people no. An argument could be as media houses in the country, we will have to make these people feel that the citizenry are accepting what they are doing. But Ghana they could feel the capital war me, never could feel projecting for a reason.
Yeah.
About Mongopo Mafia. But last 2 years, American Bro, the first guy construction company, kidney transplant. It was something that has never happened in this country. The government couldn't do it. Last 2 years.
Yes. Like you look at it.
The last 2 years was NPP government.
I'm
not. That's what I'm talking about. The media has not treated some, and still they are not treating some philanthropists with that equal.
So now me go nobody. Mia abe mia mi no le fia. Aba be ngati be mia mi e club. Be mia wo to.
Ika ko ya be jawo do tula yo ka be wa.
Ah, you be mo. Be do maga wo be nyom kafla. With all respect to women. Me go my body. Na ko be na ne chim na ma hide. Kafa mi mia mi li alaka ko ma banye.
That's fine.
All right. Mbolo ma ko do chuchu ya re. Okay, all right. Okay, so Mia Yedeji. Okay, atade Mia Roma, le number I can atazanye plus 233-242-670-773 plus 233-242-670-773. Your number I can natem azan ako adem Mia Roma. Enya Lisa, your blego. Honorable, and to one yaman which honorable kaka. Majiwe nam yo susu chona da kaje biare yo no kaka kaje biare afi amobiko okay ye ine miape next story ka wo gamiala. All right, ke mako comments, so I'm seeing comments from here marabuku do banam simple straightforward magazin just simple words you can attach the government. All right, Amabenkonye truth stands. Ghana's golden boss site has been given to this shameless looter. What is $70,000? Next joke, please. Hey, okay. Honorable Senior Mama, I will Ghana.
You see,
I'll respond to all of them. Okay, all right, okay. All right, next one. But good morning to you, Tony. Well, this man is very rich, but the truth is that his wealth is from the nation, and that's why he's giving back to them. Okay, Honorable said that that's corporate social responsibility, giving back to society, right? But I'm not sure if you should call it looting. We should provide evidence that he's looting. You should provide evidence that he's looting. Okay. Good morning to you. Esinam, thank you, Esinam. I will send messages. But good morning, Ibrahim Mahama. Please provide portable drinking water for your constituents too. They are sharing drinking water with cattle and vultures. Oh. You were giving Ghana's generational resources by your brother Mahama. Kindly let the poor benefit. But would you have to say vulture and cattle?
Oh yeah, but I think that is really, it is no news. Even a new play, if you are all a shim, it is the point about a new one would much let them have the localities, the people in the community also go to fetch from that same stream. Or
good morning to you, Tony. I'm a point of for time, and I said, wisdom young call yo. So, with all the MPP and Akufo-Addo looting, can you name one person? Asante Betietuo or Gabi Onana himself helped loot and help the people? Yes, that's fair. But loot and chop with just your gang as others suffer, that's criminal and demonic. Okay, okay, Mr. So that every respond to I'm a bunch of message, so you are responding to that person. All right, I think I will leave this topic. You see, this topic, as simple as I thought it would be, I'm surprised the feedback I'm having. He who alleges must prove, and I will not use my show for things like that. I don't see what is written about this. Let me just take two more. Anas, state fund stealing. All right, so I think I'll leave your comments. I'm not enjoying the comments. Good morning to you, Tony. This is Tina. MPP looters never found anything, stole so much they are afraid to move about in public. So even if, as they are saying, these are stolen funds, we are happy he's using it for a good cause. Okay? Talk about the blessings of God will never end in your life. Go higher, man of good heart. God bless you. Thank you, Tobe, for your message. I don't think we should do politics with this. We are talking about philanthropy. Do good to your people, whether NDC or MPP, do good. And I like the call that you should go and provide potable water for his people. Come to Ho Central as well. Youth needs job. Youth need job. But as to say vultures and all that, that's denigrating, and I don't think it's standard for my show. All right, Honorable.
No, you see, like I said earlier, it is good. Tony, you will be surprised. A lot of people are into this philanthropic ways in this country, but because maybe they don't have the means to get the publicity on from the media landscape, they're not but it is good. We are getting the see. If a nation, we are going to the states bill now, we come to realize that we have to give back to society. It builds because the state alone cannot develop a nation, which is very true. And the individuals are all Fidel, Ghana Nibaji, Ghana Viunti. Yeah, we feel okay now. It is time to give back to the society. It is a good call. And then we'll have to call on more of these such people to also come on board. More of such people, and they will be named tomorrow by the generations yet to come, and their names will be left in the heart of a lot of people. Like this particular young lady, or family owner, the whole family will always forever remember Mr. Ibrahim Mahama.
That is if they are not ingrate. Some people too, they are ungrateful people. So learn gratitude. Yeah, I like this show, Honorable. I'm Magda Konobere. Question to journalism. I really like it because Tamaro and the same people and respectfully because I can't be no communication officer oh fiafio oh fimiabaga fiafio I'm a client I'm a fiafio can't be and then Bonya so no interested in politics. Cha no to corporal bona the part of Blana Koto was Mishamele interested. We are all involved. Yeah, I'm not judging. There are two corporal Blana episodes because Mamma Moyo to corporal oh Kombu politicians oh Bron Ishai. That has to change. And journalism has a very important role in changing people's perspectives. So I judge number Honorable Banava, me go any CMPP hado. Me try me examine muka Mpolo Onyasen, Nyayo Bomilele, Leke Nyale. Comment I never feel. I think I like this comment. Good morning to Tony, and I like your education on journalism. You both are right. You both are right, and that's it. We have to go fresh for you. But when there is news, is news to our attention to it. Yet I have none of eyewitness news. The city though. Afi oyona in focus on Africa. The BBC oyona focus on Africa. African stories. Picture to me in Africa. Now so that's just it. That's like employing the whole. You can be Nigeria. Do you know how many states are in Nigeria and how populated Nigeria is? In fact, Magonobere in Nigeria, December, Bovito, Uton la fille, Nano Checken, Le Mo Pamea, Amare Dao, for them. More to a peer more to a more black by a PHM copia, afforded them, than Nigeria. So, in such a country, news gathering is so difficult. You understand? It is a place with broken down structures and systems. That systems you can just talk and gather news are very difficult. And if you are a news firm, you move around, is a problem. Move around because people don't want reportage. People don't want the ills in society because the ills are more. Trust me on that. Do a research on it. The ills are more. Nobody news are. So in such a society where the ills are more, number grows subawa. Omo jina nya jojo. Ta obana vomoji. Ta nebe nya jojo do pa do we umi. Ta se gombe ne bunla nye tutula o. Nya kwere nya jojo. Adolo mi mi auto. we are ready to go round, but help us to go round. I think that's it. Comment on this one. I can't believe the comments on the news post. Ibrahim Mahama became prosperous during Kufuor's time as a president. He started way before Kufuor became president, but Kufuor saw his potential and helped him build his fortunes to become who he is today. How many so-called rich or very poor people do we have in Ghana? And what percentage of them support persons outside their family? This is not the only support he has given to wealthy Ghanaians who was brought to his attention. That's what you wrote. On the issue of buying a private jet, so I leave that one, please. We are not discussing private jet. So I think we'll end on that one. Nyame yawe paria gano shicho tititi. Eron kujiwo dredging chiare damule sekla de engineers and planners, you the contract man. Even I think it was not an NDC government. So please, such things you New York point let you have a buje come for Fiava discuss it. So honorable all right, before we go to other issues, Nana Jemio TV Ajiba, I'm give honorable view on that because it's a very learned one. Over the so here Beafi police over armor vehicle avulabu tubu ka triakonye ejebeti ajifia. And I think that we should talk about this. Okay, so
see, Tony, somewhere last year or last 2 years, 2024, actually 2024, there was a survey being about 90% of us on the street or in Ghana here, somehow we have mental problems. Not necessarily we are insane. We will be about them. But psychologically, there was a survey being about 90 or 90-something% of Ghanaians are having a little bit of psychological problem, and put it that way aspect. And you see, it is hard time we have proper education about how we should go for psychological testing of ourselves. Because I don't foresee why the KPV police rule. This is a car that is even by a lookout. The look at it, the first glance of it tells you that this is something you cannot take anywhere based on the numbering. It's customized. Then the look at it, nobody will tell you this is a police vehicle. So it boils down to the psychological problems that some survey
mental issues.
This guy, see, at times this guy should be taken for a medical checkup first. For all you know,
police are
see, say no to drugs. I mean, I suspect that there's something really influencing this young guy, perhaps doctor, because it is to how I will be police who because these are not mere these are machines.
Oh no, Namiza.
How to move them is different from how we move our normal cars. Psychologically, you may think the story. My type was with my I thought it was AI generated something.
Not from verified Ghana police service.
Yes, but I had to call some few friends and then to find out if it's really happened. People, really, how could this happen? Go away, you. The Jaga, how they pay pass the commercial vehicle or private car.
I don't know
That is it. All boils down to don't be fearful. Like I'm really like John and Alan, no, I don't put that maybe Suka. I'm making attack with I can write it out. As a woman, then you know, to hello, I can write it out because that's the business. Okay, scraps are dismantle it to scraps and you not get it done. Seriously, me, the all I will say on it, don't be a message. Like I say, hi, you have to protect our citizens. Time of feel bill and the police hospital is there. They should take him there. If you need to take him to part time to go and examine his brain, nobody examine them, and going forward, and we see. And then they punish him as a deterrent because these are security apparatus. I say, well, it's something you don't need to venture with. Even their uniform, you don't have to go close to it. A few weeks ago, a lady was arrested. The boyfriend called police uniform, maybe one. Maybe a flexible better, and they will get the photo. How more a police armored vehicle. He needs to be punished severely. Like, not that much, because he's a young guy. If he's examined and realize that there's nothing wrong with him, maybe they should just examine him and feel why he did that. Maybe for any minor reasons, maybe some few years till there was some punishment, then he come back to serve the nation if there need be. But to examine him, why examine him mental faculty, like it's very important on top. No, and then what I'm gonna do for no security, so I'm not going to tell you secret or now tell you your problem. I tell you that I will report on your name. Like I go to funny be I will take him here. I'm not seeing what you are. I'll be there for my
yo nyaba kola mo ku mika yo number like amaro over na manyana mo bebe yo meten WhatsApp mo go plato ta ojina yo ta mi abale mi alo to mi kware mi o mi ji mi no lo to mi no ko mi achi e fiare bona roga mi anko sege mi ta se mi akogbe ta WhatsApp bo ne mi nyale ko na audio alo voice message alo vocal ata ngwaye vocal ata do vocal ata voice message ko mafi ko ka nya ina blo na ble bo ta mara ku ma da tere ji ko mo do George na to amaro show ma mo ko mara ko message na o ko nga ka ma nyoro mo be o de mo ba je ru ta ma da tere mi aji all right Sami, good morning Tony, please tell your guest that this guy must be punished heavily. He will pretend to be insane, but don't fall for that trick. The boy is a fearless armed robber. Punish him heavily. Thank you for that. And I just like, you don't need to respond to them one-on-one. I just like perspectives of other people. Sure, many that's the best. Maybe don't hear from Marco Lefia. Tuloshi or Blaro for maybe so it's we have to look at that perspective also. All right, Tina Garo mentioned good morning Tony, this guy must be introduced to Mr. Bean. All right, good morning to you Tony Agbanyoba. The driver of the police armored vehicle should be fired from the service. Where on earth should a police officer or any driver of an armored vehicle leave the vehicle running when the one is not around? Okay, so I think you want to say leave the engine running. There was an engine that was running, but the vehicle was not running. The vehicle was stationary. The driver will certainly be one of the protocol people enlisted. Just fire the one to become one of the person to join the long queue of unemployed Ghanaians. Let him learn that the line is too long. Okay. This guy is always sending interesting, intelligent points. I think it's not bad.
You see, that aspect, I think I will have to respond to it. Security-wise, most of open Mawala is get the ignitions are on. The ignitions are on. It is the drivers who are most attended not do the wheel. but the ignition are because the way there a ignition at the start, like it takes a period of time to move it. But most of the time, because of security reasons, it is always ready to take
to move. Okay.
The ignition being on here, and I don't think the driver has gone down the thing towards the gun.
So in a way, I is a good one.
For the time a whole security fan like we are getting the see, and yet to me, the fear I have with security personnel, many people go for now as personal, but I know there are some now the money my way people. They go about this matter. No, maybe I'm a lawyer the opposite of it woman, but what we can have a lawyer and didn't never put it. The another cinema because I come security man chatted or black handcuff lessy with low uniform. Yes, have black you can have my home at the landing. So proceeding to go around to me. Kakameli, and I'll be at the Lentina, I passing. Then you will not never tell what map to go back. And then
if you apple meet me would show you because make it work. You have some security background. You have a background. I'm because of democracy, and you have a video to why election. I call me down one year. Mr. Maruka of police can labor to Rashi. Combustive communication. Ama a TV bomb. Come about material, a jessima. Achieve for a couple of contact butter full TV radio. Amanyasem. Tayo ama yo sohi umasema. They are being indoctrinated.
Yes.
Ta New York brother, someone new to me. But you are teraman akpan. But you are teraman akpan. You see, and it's good that we use our political shows to educate people, but politicians also use these people. Akpakle vakata, mi akpakle vakata. Ne buti no ka dangere mona mi abe le yo butia, ke dovana yo, ke gavana yo, that to yo muta, eje we umsham. So please, I think American IGP, if anyone needs to be punished, it is the driver who left the engine running when he stepped out of the vehicle. Similar to Frank Edo message. Okay, so American Akwesi Frimpong Court attempting to bury 5-month-old baby for another Frimpong again. Oh, you are. If you have a software, the baby, you can put you on it. You have Frimpong. Okay, please. I think we should cease comments on this. Imagine when I wrote comments right now, that I think it's okay for that. All right. So
education. If you're the Ghana Police Day from Dan Paris time, over creative police media department how create open TV channels. Who want more education in Ghana? Only no day, as a nation day, you security knowledge and now they you have more method as a local tendency. Yeah, the market security officers are all because when you be to me view the Roman Nasi or how one of tell them good now. That's a problem. Don't. It will be good, but you got to be I didn't get that. We are like to have a and you'll be a great segment that I have for security education. I'll tell you because it is not a balancing more. I'm a visual when you are a salon, my not a copy police or as a dollar, no matter what you want to know. I've already got over the greater population who go on the world like the ignorant waffle Valentina. I've secretary just that you be proper education. Affordable. Now they are going to handle us very easy. We sell it too because I know a say or even a
Danya honorable bloke, Maclomi, and Yam bloke, Mogatrobo. Mille, Pepler, Mille, Clado, Bemiawoto. Muhammad Beremianchi. Number your mobile TV, I tell you number of oh, Yapona. Many of them are no message. Yaponia. Ejiji number over but do malaga TV, a mufiam, Edi like TV bubu yo kabon commissaire ko dada yo ha edi mi yo mole enya pon ke le ke miawo ma dolo pa plemi e pe dade ma dolo plemi fa mile chimfuga hostel le poli ne ba be bona chimfuga hostel o poli ako kandu ouvrir chaque programme ma chama le circuit to attention fia fa na kere metina bo ni o me na bo te pa na dolo plemi na kpere mo na kpere mi anchi mahi anto nya sen ma ko ye vutu koro makra ye vuku ma ka ko ma chi ma kpere mi an plemi yare ji ma ko nga echi biara da rafia na mi ji ma na mi breakfast mo tona wo ma ji ma kpere mi anchi pla butoto ma ji bana no t-shirt mo ma ji ma kpere mi anchi pla la o mi ami ye telecom company me ji ma provide data ma pe unit na mi ya ko o do you see nga pu fia enyenye chichi ba mi na pure mi ama maga wana mbo dokoliko mioto miato enye mioto miato akanto le shi wo enye nto ka uha mi o nko yon ko ka so stakeholder you are part of what we are doing is very important I don't say me be mi am ta our come system na no mi ashisun good morning to you. I'm Bebe watching you from Total
Okay, police headquarters.
Okay. It seems Ghanaians don't understand allegedly. This is alleged. No problem. That don't know, but alleged is illegal. It's just legal. It's just legal. Police will give a suspect, but it will not stop them from handcuffing you. It will not stop them from sending you, gathering evidence. You will still be called suspect. Even evidence points to the fact that you are the criminal, they will still call you suspect. In court, they will call you alleged till you go to jail. Let's look at the issues. Na amamo mohari, mfafia na dukuchoma. Na mibe COVID abale problema. So we know these legal things, but we are not lawyers and we are not in court here. All right, we are journalists and we inform, we educate, we entertain. Now, if you have a nyata chuma but boring ejo, majo, myonyata no tereja but boring afia mutua. So I think you should understand that the paradigms are different. Alleged allegations about suspects so the paradigms are different. Alleged, yeah, we hear that one, but we are seeing the videos, we are seeing pictures of a young man trying to take it. That's what we saw, and based on that we can inform and educate. But when you go to court, you can acquit and discharge based on the merits of the case. That's not our business. Don't we open more tabo or shregenchi alone? No go tabo more shregenchi. Or afia go hand go tabo or go na rano pantaji mate. Ta na no ano ungo abama mano mwina. No baba na rano kafla susuma dollar to makman the program they prison bumanyo. So yeah, I'm going to say you get your yes, but you'll be sent there to be examined, and it's not a nice place to go to. So please, let me manual. All right, me and Jida to force Monia Robo. Let's go to the economy now. All right, I to force a single America economy. And Ghana's economic revival gains traction. Atoforsen addresses IMF and World Bank investors. And it's basically saying Ghana's recovery is genuine and anchored in deep structural reforms. Ghana's economic recovery is genuine and is anchored in deep structural reforms. These are economic terms. About Ghana, where the corporate Ghana yoke nyuma, enye nyatewe vaonye, yo totro woncho no be structure, structural reforms. Ne do godly, omodaglo, will then go out don't you better to come. The economy is structured to be import dependent. Remember, that's a structural problem. That's a structural problem. The economic structure, like economy as a for instance, we have a structural problem. But structural problem, after some time you will liquidate. Is that not it? The Ghana economy structurally has been an import-dependent economy. Structural reform. Another one in Nemiabo fo yokemi osu bowu ajoga yokemi kona alo jiruba gayoko kona tomo vovo bebe jirudu junam togo mika hogareta mema jirudu timba drum mika hogareta toma mkhosho kata jamile gakata mi kona, which is our revenue alo GDP. For you can do me a share, never subo. So if our expenditure is more than an income, it's a structural problem. No, ye go borrow either Fourth Republic, that's 1992, alone 1957, no more level, it's a structural problem. That is structural. So now, I thought for some Fifia aleka dollar. Eva bojo ne CD home sell a dollar chi. Well of mata. Maybe 10 or 11 CD chia is genuine. Manye camouflage ye. Na buy doga. Acho abe do dollar go buchu e go. Echu na corner bank so by dollar na bo. Na move dollar chi kuno chenu plus Forest Bureau so man black marketing mama drive a Ghana radio. Me to me talk me to have dollar ko je me akodo mo akokofo na mo me mazamo ka ke me voa ko do dollar ko banere ko plus be dollar na to na dollar to kwa ke si di kunse na nye na ma mioma mioga perka wo ga ka fi election time na ba do anya ga be mia azega ako wumba do di fuma dollar go joga fra try the 16 cities that to force ba bona yo vuba don't me ta ni aka ta ma blora ba mama in English ma ko ya pe. All right, the minister highlighted improvements in Ghana's macroeconomic fundamentals, including growth exceeding expectations, driven by strong performance in services and agriculture. Atoko so mbomba du kopa ganyo chichimeji ewu aleke yo bukrako. Agric agbeletete pia gyoda gbe nku tole gbegbe ye mbanto. Declining inflation nwopa ashifa jiye atradi edidi. Nwopa shimega chim abechano. Inflation is a must in any growing economy. But if inflation is high, that is a problem. Mova shido go in and fee. Plus super videta or chashido. I can move a ji yenye problem of inflation. So mimaga misunderstand inflation. Inflation, maybe I move a shidimo. Esha go return on your move a shido didima. No. Inflation, reduced inflation, maybe I move a shidimo. Move a shidimo deflation. Kaka mopa shi didim mopa shi magajima be China mopa shi magajima be China any reduce inflation atofo simba don't onyom yole. Declining inflation. Ghana's external position has also strengthened significantly, underpinned by robust gold and cocoa exports. Post-structural issue abomula. Fifia yo ibaga mucho to better to come. Fifia cocoa inek better to come. Cocoa inek better to come. Shika inek better to come. So cocoa go alongside improved international reserve accumulation. Fifia fifio le yoshi dollar These reforms have translated into tangible market outcomes. Well, I am not the guest. I'll not go too much into that. Hey, brother, you already minister. You minister in 120, 125. You're 60 ministers of Olution. You make some Jakachon. It that come but Jimmy. I don't reach out and have questions. So, Honorable.
Tony, better. See, as politicians, we can know. You open it to paint it black, then you have white too. Wherever vehicle living here, one botana, Amalala, I live now for botana. Vehicle living there, now in Buchanan line. I'm going to call it not in what to look at. It's like, yet or anything or what you are a home near the Ghana to. And when you work now, how translate, that's what we are very good at that. As early as April 2024, IMF, the World Bank crowd project be going forward now. Ghana economy structures the government got for the meanwhile Ghana economy bounce back from the economic disaster maybe go through from 2020, but that's the 2024. It as political players we are be going for Ebola attack on top. But don't bound to what they might be Ebola to yeah, they put up inflation figures. Probably from 2020 Ghana over 2024. It was a period somewhere 2022 inflation grew as far as 54%. You might be about the 54% now. You might not talk on and one of the inflation because of the open mismanagement. Ghana talk become a good mean you call for the demand maybe inflation at my jump. You can get all one day what you about to be when you the Baba that I'm to US Israel the water market. Our and quite a little maybe about the Ghana, the like doing what number economy is import driven. You get the all design to order, but that call you whole trick at that on the design. And then I let to go for whatever who quiet to come out when you import from them. I know that the channels through which our imports take place will affect you to go. Because when to come out to my family, very really important to did that I didn't have to come to my figures will have fluctuate to come now, or the body man will make my way and Yagima. I can't quite know, but in history from 2015, but that's the 2026 the best GDP growth, like gross domestic growth, it was within the New Democratic Party's region. It went as far as about 8% or so growth. As it stands now, we are living between 6% growth GDP. Even this year, our project be to go up to maybe 4%, which is a decline so far. But going forward, be more yes. Afforded the new EG to go. Yemanata IMF and then World Bank project be going forward in the coming years. Ghana nyapa Ebola Ujibola didi. Jogo mwento ovanyele in this job. We were back with election 2024 over KK because Oda Raja will be across the country over Balabu. Akawonyalo not in they your cut expenditure unnecessary spending. So Tony, a letter by being another down by Kufan regime. I recruit as close to 90 ministers. A letter by you understand? A letter by
the 120.
120, it was never 120. It was a propaganda. The highest it would go maybe to be about 100, but the 120. Okay, finally, we include with their deputies will find 125. No, deputies 120. Deputies is 125. And we talk about that. Okay, and now let me be Tony. Let me not go there in a settle. Now I'm down by Kufan. actual 120 ministers and deputy ministers.
Mpuncho you cut of expenditure. Okay, cut of reduction of expenditure, government spending
based on their ministerial appointment to be other CEOs. Emma, elected women are now down ministers and deputy ministers. They appoint among 125. Gake, let appoint to we a gahoyemo belong to them. President John Dramani Mahama ever appoint about say 50 something, but the 60. I said, Baba, a gahomene they had a Belama Mauti and Yanima. President John Dramani Mahama is spending about 3 times the guy who found the 125 ministers with allocation to the presidency about 2.something billion. This year, how can increase? That was 2025.
Miracle attack Bojidi Ayoga Onamia.
Yes, but exact figure.
No Jina Gakenye Gaka Jidu or one of the minister of Katanchi Bruto. A Pokaome Ublagayao. Gakanya Gaka Jiruya, but 60 ministers. Ye Unini Gayao.
As at 2025, I will start with President John Dramani Mahama. As at 2025, the allocation made to the government machineries was 2.7 billion. For first term, the actual now will last term of 2025. Because that was the time, all that 25 ministers will be money. That's a government. I never said, man.
The message is not about +233 242 670 773. Topic are very interesting. Message is from Nyabojiri, Yama Jujim le Akbaya Alaba, Wana, Ena Move, Da Nabojiri Nanguanam, Bojiri Nangu English ya Nabona, Tuma Mue, Napoba, me to Nigeria, Mono Yema Konabina Juma no me. Now when I make popular there on Osan Arab a year for. +233 242 670 773. All right.
At 2024, President Nana Akufo-Addo time, they spent 2,274,827 million Ghana cedis. The office of the government machinery. And I let them be in the eyes now. I'm 2.7 billion.
And
John Dramani Mahama allocation to the president's office of the president and the government machineries, which includes his ministers and staffs. As against, let's say about 300 million Ghana cedis. Let's say we round it about 300 million Ghana cedis. Let's assume. Let's approximate to that much.
So let us come in 2024.
2024.
Nana Akufo-Addo was at 300 million Ghana cedis.
Yes.
The minister 125 in chief, 2024.
And now you are using 2.7 billion.
There I'm a blood dent.
So where lies your cut expenditure? Yes, in numbers, we cut them off. Like a Ghana government machinery. Of course, you achieve sometimes government them visit is because you are the same umbrella government. Like your Ministry of Communication, your hand and your agencies classify the ministers. Some of them are taking allowances and salaries as equal as the deputy ministers' allowances. That's another one. First in history, almost all regional organizers, also presidential staffers. And we enjoy more. It's more or less like a deputy minister enjoyment. In the Iceland, Ghana do and Hofro him. Be cutting ministers, ministers. Got an appointment with support President Akufo-Addo. They never got support. A guy may allocate. Be your son. No, I'm a dovey, I'm a viola dog at the Maumona. I don't know what Akufo-Addo. Then you can't be cutting ministry, you are spending moderately. na le fie be egad didi bi feel like Akufo-Addo za 2 million imi yu about 1 million sa bi agbe egad didi that get gaba so Akufo-Addo to I cannot show your cutting expenditure I let me go cut you let me over them up to now but na dem enye as a nana the kawapa ko akama so it is mute. It's mute many argument many expenditure your cut here in the economy as far as April 2024 institutions still predict the Ghana will our economy will bounce back. Now after a government the expenditure aspect is gone. Cocoa export, gold export. Yes, it is a good thing. No matter what legal analysis, that Ameleva, government Aleva, you ever know. Cocoa, the Mexicala, the Mion to Mexican that I have definition. Mexican is our the Namasema. That President Nana Akufo-Addo, led by Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Well, policy they go. If you Mexicala, they will reserve it. They don't put that dale. And you know, I say like Yama. Nasi Yama, Kumia Dre, Nya Boga. That's another one. Because never just a guy, when you see la $1. Because you vote the Bible Sikajala. Yeah, you the same like family, yes, you Ghana City la, Musema lent you. Elena Senoma. Let a government ever policy baby. Oh, no, never down, never put you know. Cocoa and the money need them. Sikale Messi. No Canania no Messi cow, the young put a level. No, my not a number who far over. The ton of gold in money, but the amount, but the 10 ton. Okay, milk no gold buy 31 tons. Can on va fier? Can I see how to be well and a bomb say? Oh, not 31 tons of you, jail about 18 tons. Which are more than half. Come on, what got paid? Get stabilize the city. Okay, Ameleva, I'm running.
To Cocola Hokoa, Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, Joy na. But me, I feel legal. Daddy. My Jiva honorable Tronia Chino, my ear at the component. A Boblomba ton near Babina. How many metric tons of gold you plenty in reserves? Kekajira bari, Oberenchia. No, Maperenchio, Ka ain't a bojere, only metric tons the near Ocha. When a new Ochume. Na atema don't china one mataro katanga buona da pama na miela but my leader ani alwana mi na stroma do mi muma wa nyamele fia ni manya na ka manjo da ne ba kuma nya bu kwaji ba nya na bro anya ta ta bona da mana
iba ko to ngo bi the government previous government ko policy be mi have ka akone gold for reserve. And the policy will go for oil. Again, government open basa o komika be many laudable idea. I don't want opposition. That me increase me gold reserve by go 31 ton. 31 ton over 1 year. Almost single ton balance. Even though we are creating gold board, we see capital. 31 ton again. What more than half of it? If you take a it's left with 18 tons. From Kwame Nkrumah time, the ton we were having was less than 10 tons. A government came within 8 years and accumulate about 20-something ton equivalent. It will increase by 31 ton. Can you over here? Just be our city and look good. The Ghana Togo you ever translate it. All your job about 18 tons. 18 tons. Then I want fun in a year and go with the calendar. What just within a year? 2025 will job you. If you open 2026 year, you will go and see capital. See Katamale who would ever have J. Because shop up of OCD. Because you are home, say, hey, see the bones. If you see car for it, about 18 tons. If you come over your car, you see capital. La Fica, and ABS anymore. No matter minority, me or BMB, Banova continent. I'm a cow, just a cow now. Yes, you can't get money, can over you try. But can be generally about them. If you can be your influence, you are influence. But I see the influence. You are not missing every ɛnyɛ nkam ni nya kɔtɔ wo ba nya dimi na kɔtɔ wo bi amene ni gyina sika na de yɛ bɔ bi ga yɛ fɛgɛla awo because asi yɛ wɔ gyina sika fifi obi ga yɛ asi yɛ ga yɛ fɛgɛ e ga kwasi ma ɛyɛ na sɛ ma fi nya kɛ wɔ gyina sika 1 cedi fifi obi o ga gbe sika yɛ ɔtɔ wɔ gyina o ga gbe yɛ fɛgɛ 2 cedis ɛyɛ na sɛ ma
kama bia eba yo gyina sika o choga ko wonka
okay sure yɛ gama o ga dem sɛ cedi yɛ mu
okay if you yo o gyina sika show up if you have o kweko da o kweko pere cedi anti ba odom
how that dollar yɛ wa accumulate le ba na fe be if you like dollar bo the system then dollar boy sabe ba na cedi pe ya pe dollar ba na cedi la pom sa ma ba na cedi la pom se be that 18,000 ko ga cha ka ba na ta dollar fe ga pe e ya va
okay tam what way information on that come say education pakpaji akpara ko da bia bo yo ba gyina sika o ko dollars
yes
yo those dollar yo ko dollar masa o ko ko do ne mia central bank so da o da shi dollar chi jidu me a dollar mano da wo o ko dollar system am la bono sam na project so ka jidu ya o choga do da fi o da shi bank so ji bana mare krabe aba ade gala dollar na kra no na wa define if you have a mega here na kai the forest abuchibo ka dollar to the drivers of the exchange rate new york na ono dollar jin dollar melio ono dollar jin mala de dollar jin dollar melio de ye na naga mara na dobo ho ya le jaga na wenyi akene jiru nto na be dollar nya li ho ko jiru ata dobo ho ya le e la be li ho akene jiru to ji mo pe o ene gra abuchibo na wo enke go 15 cedi be ma pe na ta wo in showing up of the city. Okay, me leji.
Eta eveli anyima. Eta eveli aha, abele government ale wo policy dale over define bien. Ase na commandment. Government ale wo policy dale.
Now, kaka encourage ba nya blom na lebe. Wo je Chicago buguma. Eta do kwetia.
Anu kwani na government na ali. Yawe MPC le parliament na offer audience policy by now. All of the question we are talking about trabalho. But over commune na humane ni susienta o jasica, se can be more como gadrel. Can that to force the last time president meet labor union so the question that was supposed to be a committee e do sika de wojre because you are going to hear you aja you can balance CDT. And no see the pom sene no piori ala pom sene no pla and no ka kenyinya gbonyi bi government aleva yo man focus we go e gbe agbele mi de mi abuko ya kon ko dale e jo aba na fideni ele na sene ma e ta kama le fideni ni gbe ele be na ato force the government wata no go previous government won ku yo fadale e bu mi le gbe ka ko ma awe it is government, the NPP government, MPs in parliament, they file a question. They never come many. Look how Jessica now. Because I won't come and get at Jessica 1 city. And we forget we have basic get 2 cities. It is never going to make out Jessica now. We see can't ever go if you look at whatever. You know, but I know originally, you don't know what because there's something fishy about the business you. Tony, my cousin Canadian no. No, okay, my brother have the level. And that is not that 2 cities lady. Profit, I profit 1 city. I said, Mama, strategy development. No time you never come many up to now. What is the level?
Ta meka a 2 me babage.
Finance minister, you already know about many up to now. What is the level? Like a cocoa. Gabriel Nunola, I may find question for your pong. But let me go about because they are young. You are going to Canada. Bound up with Lassicana. I see your guy. You cannot go to 1 city. So you have 2 cities. You can't have you want to see Canada. Previous government and now don't over Dr. Mahmoud what will lay foundation dale. Because over here, when you move like Sika Ujra, you can sure see that. Now let the book Sika Dalode, how much like me, Anthony. Atajodi, Evelia, Coconia, ever do Omagano Brown to harm. Because what we now go to la femme MBA. What we now go to la femme de Oletalazi. They want the cocoa gaji about from 2006 3,600 about 2,500. What you want to put the law? I can come out on the Calibi, let me do you put high. Yeah, my not. Because we went to allow us a day, 4 years, no 4 years every. Then class when I got 2, got oil, but got 1. Go on demonstration now. I don't know to be 4 years in the back. Takukonya yo mo gabre do because people say that if you are one woman but say a few weeks ago be am no be adra la ko ko to sambi ya adre galaxy to na ko galaxy asali be ko be dra lo ko play ko to sambi be adra na galaxy wala na ko galaxy no kana na de ko be de la treating men wa ko be ati usema ko no
majiwa mago ko adanyame to baba enye kele fiani matian le bishie le se so kwa jimo le fiani mate ga mo kwa dom yi ma no ho hando ga kwara banya bro na lo te ko ha mo sem ala ba awu nya bro na buchire de nya ko ko pa ji de nyama semu keta atu fo sem pa nya o bro mo le te ko majiba na bubo at the bank at lekina senya ya to for some brother you for me nkatai malete fo
maybe malete fo maybe wo ma treat ko be fiema ko break de la wa ko mo be o ba ejira ko mo be o ba ejira yo me ba ejira ko vide ka ko be de la wo la fa
ta fia ba alama ba o ba ejira
o wo tre
alama ba o ko jaja me ka agai ka majima bloto ina na do fiaba gai ko jobo khana ble de la wa kino ta kamayo ba popu chodu ko tuni e blogela
mai na argument ni bi amele la ta ko bla apa gradi wa shi aba cho afi o government abe policy abe jira na e big e ba ko de si bi ko gbe de la we le economy last ye le na to ko lo nti le na funa wo de la sema ka ke fifi ele koko blend la ele koko business pride be na economy ele va revive ka ke le fugo koko blend la metro mu fo ka koko ma ka ta na mu mata na we example ala bi koko blend la bi olo yo koko blows jam ne na se wala no jam kala se koko blend kala se wala woni e be ke me kala koko la ja ka ba ake protect wo economy toni Ena masema eta nele no be ko ile nya economy lasi obisika amie la bikenda la ba eta ele mi adafo mama na an idea ko bi government aleba o policy ya fisika dale ni fisika dale bi va nya ba yiji bi va dire bi obi wa do ha yo boji yiga enya nyeyo policy le kushan ni ma matter we government is a continuous process ka ko ha no tan ma ni wa play the quality wa support. And I will play to the Bible 31 tons. Come over and trip you also half of it, also 18 tons, 8 million. And I will have the quality. Never come out the lack by. Cocoa, but the loud girl or cafe, cocoa, and young economy of almost say. You talk on no more country or cocoa blow. And I was at Matoni. No talk on no more country, cocoa blow, and Ghana. Say to because I'm more people if you did. I'm all the cocoa blow jam. Well, that's your own. You're quite going to say what we. Not before I'm for Kevin. I don't make you move. Cocoa blood out with your cocoa beauty. I come here. If you're talking about cocoa pride in being high economy last year.
Bama Bialo, it's just an afterthought. Cocoa de me do near Ghana.
Oh, yes, me do ne.
Allo, Oconi and Beta to come, Trono Basuna, Milo Planmo.
Cocoa possessive factory will Ghana.
You might go like any, about like me do now, Magdal cocoa is staple. Is a staple as a young.
Yes,
and yet cocoa nanake, I have no cuckoo, local, if she colored woman. She colored woman. Ye, cocoa blood rubber, you may be the only cocoa, that's a moda, no quick shika. Neshikama kumula, Oma kum. Okunda money don't they do know where like Majima Yagara because what is in there as a Yagoma?
Cocoa, there's no way me at home Aglobi physical that any cuckoo as a woman. Because there are two different commodities. Yeah, there are two different commodities. Kenya le cocoa de le economy last all these years. Shika fifi government of the government a few years ago. You have make policy. And I don't know about the doctor about government. Whatever make policy they owe. Sika le mesi. Sika pasi ne be you good. You can now create reserve ala nyalo mesi ka plan of reserve in ala apostle mo. Emi ka no tiamo yi yalo. When I mean plus sika you all accumulate who reserve it ala. Ese kwa government ala ta ma ba go e ba da child you ala me o be this to ala of it. Mo ba tra from 31 tons but that's 18 tons. When you blow no. Who here to me if a case no last. By drade ma ke solve the problem when you blow no. Kake ali na atomu abu blow talk case no ma aba do the fail ye. Okay. Eta sika ku ko ye di. Menye ma no be nya throw the car to the benefit of another. O fuel le video hen.
Okay, kama bia shika kokore eke la shijia waro ke hena foreign direct investment eke hena betanga fifio over Ghana choau.
Oh, see, cocoa de ga Ghana. Ida be cocoa la vela la Ghana because cocoa de atema cocoa syndicated loan. Syndicate say my organ don't go have cocoa planta cheche. Kakasika edi ele bene akobe si no commodity no apo ahia ijira. If you are a good body is in place, the government they took out because good body they can press it and it's tangible because they now pop. Wow, we will keep a MLS in Kino. Happy, wow, we. That I hear about just let it go. Sikala to make a good that I would now 1 million Ghana cedis. Never quit. Now I didn't at the Galani, but tomorrow, the Lamina, like a Kukuela, Kuku, government to be young while they do can. Ako vela kuko bledara hafi kuko pra hata cheche ese baba eta de ka ovide ala tata kuko bi hafi kuko pra hata baba kaka de ka ela ele bi na ku ele na shikati minu wa ose.
Okay, fengi biam na bede ko kwa ega home ko hena ve Nigeria. So I'm asking about the percentage contribution of foreign direct investment through cocoa to GDP as against percentage contribution of gold to
gold.
GDP.
Currently, the price of gold is very high. That gold gold is the first commodity.
That fiatani bianta dalanyante pema. Shika ega hemvene chilu awu koko.
Oh yes,
da no blo nkawe ga hemvene kana to call awu shika ba
enye ba afi
koko ne ba ya totalanya ka ami to me yes.
Ga ke ma hai ni le munye bi
na nyama go blongo de mata dubai sa chiao a jo ga la sura ga me ma senka wa me o kenya ble de lo ha dire ta cha shi o nyam and I go say le ma adokoko go ko manu ko ma ga ho ya le ko ga la ku to kura kaka ko jiru na cho berere ko berka plus ado ko ga la ko la ye shikale tuoma ye mata cho shikabana mare wo kwi e ma buga aba ya susu anu branda ni ha ma ku vide.
Yes, I think that argument I'm last chapter about it. Like the effect here go there na to go. Hello sika kokoto. Go there like be wa ni Ghana. Ala ko video le ka ko mi ko mi etu Ghana se le pe ni le Ghana di e. E gbe nya ni ba o. E gbe nya shi o bi. E gbe ni ku bi o.
A o ma Ghana se ya plan shika ku. Me penye engineer se plan ko pro chema wa do for ma oni concession whenever
Gala avec yo ale koko to brand na ke gira mole bene galamse to ko wole gira le koko mining center koko farming community so bi galamse to wole fa fa galamse to wole ani ba fi fa le ge to ni to bi Ghana even na photo to le sika ka nye galamse sika bi ka nye bi mining to sika ko nye sika good boss to e ko to because track like a go the track the key never happen the key guarantee to auto you legal minus to auto you no sika just sika more up to now but now the key all sika more the more as in yapoma and that video kokola nami pli emi wa belenenti na compare wala video so go mi wa belenenti the man never call video galamsey la belenenti alo sika la belenenti pli mi wa mi o video wa nami na compare ni wa belenenti eso ko video na mo na bitoni video ni lo bi asa ko kake fifila few months ago we say go be doctor obe the viewer gym me no be small like dey na they are deformed be the viewer won to la motita that and all the way to have for man the those are some of the effects of galamsey according to doctors really scientifically about promoting
Shikai home baba ko darabo.
The iron content here, the chemicals here, someone more because if you give them time, I'm going to go especially then because my name here to have. I said, "Market, that value, yeah, I glad you up to now. Galamsey and Galamsey and yet the more than anything. Let me come and about that like having Bernard Bernard shoe for that. You to do it like that and all that. Tanya last not going to and Gaja is swallow for good. Fine. And those are the two aspects. Never about finance minister. The economy is reviving. Yes, it's reviving. But yet, IMF Benemi, World Bank Benemi from 2023, 2024, April, somewhere April, May. But the economy is reviving based on steps put in place by the Ghanaian government.
Hello, are you sure?
Yes.
You see, Manonya, Nemibronya Masana Yaro. Inke Nafi Jidudu, I got Jidu Ekabaya, even Nanado Nakaba Jidu. Ever do Gala and Minyaba Gadutola MFA conditionalities.
Yes.
A separate rule of government.
Yes.
Megalo and Minyaba I am a flame global. No DD minister, so no cap. Government employment, I don't know if you got to hog more hogger Jiru double unless I'm a pulo, my retirement. I don't know that never previous government, I never learned crab, Joe, Jidu, recovery, work, me, dope, Jim, Alomio, daddy, but Siriana was on it. I am a famous around man. Let's speak to that issue and I go to messages. Many IMFA do your kata because BJ Kado do Joe Dr. Amin Adama, they gave us finance minister. Around Kujia, over Gaba first tranche, second tranche, third tranche. I think why do there's a government need to take credit for this?
Government will take credit because our government here work policy. IMF the EU dwell for economic crisis relief. They okay back to me. I don't do that. No nanita. Naked look at yes, one name is our living yazology. Kakana, a light to Galamalepo. Yami now say yes, Zology. In it, a wall you would. As a woman, if I go and say, oh, then as a all my way should be going forward, and tell what is the margin. Now, come be till I revive and I put out round apple. A cabin another dump of COVID family. You may nearly our bump. Kaka, come on, dear. No cooler, you are now reviving.
But revival,
reviving. See, from
the
2025, 2020, from number inflation figure. Apart from 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, it was dropping. That way, to tell you the things were getting in place. As a woman, inflation went as far as it was based on real inflation. No matter the market your time manima. And I get them be Ghana to me and this of your family away. Maybe no one Ghana to my family, then government that time. Maybe you're not be mark away to that time. Not out there in the matter. Remember, Ghana for the don't to like every year, the things and water don't do. Have me a job. Let us see 2025 January. Inflation was 23%. It wasn't 54.
Okay.
It's 23 over Babepi.
That inflation is single digits.
Yes.
Inflation is around 5. Little less than 5.
Is it 5?
4 point something.
Yes.
Let's check on that. Okay, Honorable, we are doing fact checking. Comments are coming in. Let's go to comments. Good morning to you, Tony. Great conversation. Great show. Very, very informing. What gains is this propagandist talking about? You can't pay cocoa farmers, you can't pay nurses, you can't pay teachers for their salaries, and you are lying to outsiders about economic gains. Oh, wow. All right, thank you for a message. Message yacho mi un control. All right, next comment. Actual for coming. All right, but why not tell the investors that the government has not been able to pay farmers, teachers, and nurses for months? Please tell the truth to those investors. What is economic gain if the people in the country have to pay dearly for it?
Okay, so Tony,
Coming, just one. But people are being pushed below the poverty line on a daily basis, and you are there talking about economic gains. Let the paper gains reflect on our people, Mr. Minister. Kufuor has always said the economy is in your pocket. Even Grandma Mahama Abdullah. But I think Kufuor said that first. All right, I wanted to come in briefly.
By close of 2025, inflation was 16%.
2025, 16%. But I got it down.
Again, if you answer the first quarter, first March line was about 3.70%.
3%.
That is just the first quarter. No, but it is good. It is good. But in 2025 at the beginning, it was getting better. Every time Christmas, that peak time November, the last quarter, that is when you have as you know, so let's wait and see how it gets to in that. But if it gets better, it is just the good news of Ghana. You're not going to do it. We all have for the policy you will know how to make the city the economy better. You will know how to stand now, Tony. Because still the government machinery also but we the previous government to be the number of people personnel visible for personnel and the money we are spending on them is more than what we used to spend.
All right, good morning to you. Message here, Joe Samigo. Have you tried everything? Nothing is working for you yet. Don't keep waiting for a job. Create one. While people are complaining about the economy, smart people are fixing what everyone uses. Mobile phones. Think about it. Everyone has a phone and everyone eventually breaks it. You don't need a university degree to start. You need a skill. Okay, I think you are even advertising yourself. All right, so thank you for that message as well. All right, good morning to you. What an answer. Tony, tell the man sitting beside you that we appreciate his economics, but why didn't they do all these for the past 8 years when they were in power? NPP never again. Okay, thank you for a message. All right, good morning to you, Tony. Great show. I appreciate the explanations. We are learning a lot. Keep it up. Thank you. Thank you for your message as well. Okay, let me take one more on this. Okay, Peter Miakosem Joe. Good morning to you, Tony. Great show. I'm watching live. Oh, okay, that's what he said. You didn't actually. All right, Honorable, I think we should run up on this and let's do something later about this OSP, High Court, whatever. And let's just wrap up on that.
Yeah, to wrap up the Ghana told the element to force government 1 lakh per Ghana. And you know, Tony, they are doing their best. I said, they are doing their best. It is not easy to manage a country. Kakede, GKK will let me know and give credit now. Give credit. Do not take anything from you. Because Ghana told you to quadro. You understand? Remember, going to be as early as April. IMF predict by 2025 Ghana's economy, the inflation should be a single digit. I said, so we were all hoping because after the union don't know. You've come to take government. Yeah, for the day, moment. Those are what are really the good results today. Just be fair now. Oh, yes, we appreciate the government for good for reserve policy. We appreciate the government for this policy. This is what is helping them. Because many of the people will be brave to say, "Basic Ghana economy last year within this 1 year, few months." See, Ghana can be done. Yes, Ghana. Now when the book is out, they never valid. La posi ka hono as talk of bill si ka ele Ghana economy last year. How? Tanya na kwa de bro. So na tole be na me leva bo be va le campaign wana. Ba mi lisi na ba kwa de wana ba ba kai.
Conversation very heated. I had a full house, you understand? Da me mete garanya magbo. Egba me jimia would be the it's about this OSP. They to High Court board, but OSP by prosecutorial powers. So, role should be taken over by Attorney General. Corruption related issues, specifically, High Court prosecutor. Ata investigate, ata arrest. The prosecutorial powers is what the issue is. That legal luminaries of Nyala, Sanyala, Munyablo. Kaka Shrem side, Deputy Attorney General, Yokoyama Demakavanto, you never, you would go the Budale, High Court tutor, you Babajam, Mark, you Nyakatale, Attorney General, She Hogger, you now Hoggle Shallow, your Achono. Attorney General more imagine that going to the Supreme Court because it's a constitutional issue. So constitution first, Professor Okwe backs High Court in stripping OSP's prosecutorial. For Parliament, my holding around the office of special prosecutor. That the OSP does not possess the constitutional authority to prosecute cases without the express authorization of the Attorney General, despite the provisions of the Office of the Special Prosecutor Act 2017 Act 959. He said, all right, Professor Okwe is a political scientist, right? And he's also a legal brain. And yes, and a former Speaker of Parliament, and yet Dominic Wabiato, MP. Yejo, Avia Josapova, Sedina, Elicum, let the Wafia. Okay, Tani Kajim Fiakoyaba, OSP, High Court, West Ngapo, Yako Webo, say, who called OSP a cry. Blogger Nyayoka or Kovafi, Yobo, Attorney General, now at the Mabeni. West Piquanto is actually investigative, it's just like a prosecutor. Yeah, no, but OSPR is just like a prosecutor. If you have a Napovito Lamakoy reporter, and make Ochona Dena Shina, Ochona Mandena Shinago. So he's a prosecutor, actually, it's a big prosecutor of big people. So I'm over near Menyarikuri, Yarakago Blomole. Investigate, by the end of the day, hand over the docket to the Attorney General. Ambao, info analytics, Topamaga, Tankwa, criminals rejoice as the nation bleeds. Well, Honorable Yangole, MPP, Atomerenka, Comminator Yanchi.
Tony, it is a sad day for fight against corruption. It's as simple as that. Kanata Mabonayo. Nema, Divina Kompo, Abudina to Castina and Plenty soon on that particular aspect. in the previous parliament, the 8th parliament, the current AG and current Attorney General, scared about Bombay, OSP, Mahavus, our prosecution. He was the ranking member, on the Legal and Constitutional Affairs Committee to the Parliament. And I Huawei forming the OSP Act, over Parliament. Can I appeal a vibe? Huawei magnetic drum, the committee magnetic drum, where they say, okay, for any creative OSP, Huawei, the ranking member, like the vice chairman, the committee. I understand, like NBA. You're not a poor hazard somewhere in April. Not poor hazard. My comment be the OSP officer, my comment the OSP officer of prosecutorial powers, but they all rallied around it. That's a comment. And then we pass the bill. Ghana talk to me job, they will pass the bill. The OSP has come to stay. Tony, I'll talk about the genesis of OSP, the reasons. Before we waste Ghana to me as a land talk you all understand. We want to our informed decisions. Look at them before we waste. Me be Ghana to evacuate the DCP, Attorney General, Premier Ghanaian Minister for Justice. To go over me, Attorney General, Minister for Justice in America or Attorney General, away in your Ghana government to Ghana to go never lawyer. A way that Amalagi court the Ghana and court. The man never put Ghana in court, a way like I play Ghana. The never said, if I could be Attorney General, President never summoned President Yellow appointing Yellow wood team. Then a President Tio Hokwa, maybe you have somebody to serve it. It becomes your boss. The never said, if I Ghana put the DCB, to Sumatra, I have the Attorney General, no, and now the Ghana government talent. I don't live in the Ghana government by that for long. Who got a politics for me? And I began to hold a footman. Let us say as a woman. Not that I put DCP. Corruption cases together. Government are never put the corruption cases. It affects you. Members, if I appoint you, ministers, CEOs, deputies, chief of staff, because we your party, Attorney General, I had a party in the better the Ghana talk you 2016 year President Akufo will make that pledge. Many you have created a separate prosecution office. Then you have 5 politicians, both in government and in opposition, and other institutions. The Ghana to be a 9 man. So Ghana to be your acquitted the Attorney General is just going to the ruling government. That afford them other than one. That will find. That's a time. Can the whole government to the power have fee and value of an peace? You know, the new government will tell you, a young government will have power. And Yamala, as you know, they cannot talk all the time for the MVP. They value by implementing any. They value what they talk. We implement it. No, you cannot talk from the rally behind it. Come on, Attorney General, where's the Bantu Ghana? Ghana to be a hand in the top girl. Because of what the NDP was to do, the NDC lawyer former Attorney General, the longest serving Attorney General.
The problem Akufo is the mother separate.
Yes. Up to now, the editor of Ghana Minister Bob. Ghana to facility, Missy Jama. When on our Bobby,
no, when they will be a lama or be a Chunya, you're not a Fuji, more clear agents. You may blow your mother. But I'm Galamsey. I'm saying now, yeah. Buying a cigar.
We are now Ghana to go was it if you like to be if you like probably get a fight politicians with them. We talk about Nami with the Lapa. Kisine Jabiva, and I'm always saying that we fight now. People in government. Kisine Jabi fight to the extent they fight a sitting minister. According to Cecilia Dapa, the Kaiwana.
Daka to Copabang will let that bird scatter Pama carriage bird, Yakatapon or Chumo, Molamuyo, Clay, love letter.
Well, clearly, that day, a young Pompon like a president is the moon. I can name why surrender, don't get to investigation.
And doesn't that prejudice the process? It doesn't.
How does it prejudice? This is a special prosecutor.
Do koplola bobromba ya baba munana ko fifia in other womb. That is prejudicial. Ye die what no younger matter serpent of God.
Tony, 2 years down the line, I know 1 year, 5 months down the line. They said, oh, government says it's like that one. I go for the Galia.
Oh, Bavella, or I will be pame, oh, me.
Oh, Rocky, A plus B,
A plus Yamaka.
A sitting member of parliament, A plus. He's a sitting member of
A plus many Tony Sharon.
But he's a city, he said he knows the members of the Ora, members of this government. Do you know what accuse former government of Ora? They are being wise.
He is not the only member of parliament expressing views. Nagawa Blumber, Dr. Tyler Yoshi.
Members
of Ora caught in Beshabi.
Let Ora there. Member of Ora. It is garbage. Ora is garbage. Hey, but Attorney General most of the figures he beat are what his figures should go and ask to Adaba, MP, minister.
Maybe Okuyeto, Okuyeto Yamaga, Okuyeto OSP, Okuyeto
the chairman of Ora. That was the chairman of Ora.
Okuyeto Manya Strajo, you should be serious. Okuyeto
Manya
Strajo, Okuyeto Manya Profito, no.
Can you prepare Ora document?
Okuyeto lawyer. No, he's not a lawyer.
But he came, many lawyers you're saving Ghana $2.something billion from Ora. That's a problem. That's Ora with Dalakpa. OSP, but he fought the city members here, the ministers. As a if I'm not before this government obey OSP and seamless you. Attorney General, you are by constitution, you can delegate powers to other people to do the same job for prosecution for you. That's my favorite. Let us say maybe Attorney General would account prosecute. It is bounding on you. You can give that authority to other people to do it. And you were sitting member, you were the ranking member on the committee that brought this OSP to be again Cavado because he's going after one of them. Because it's going, he has started going after them. Let me give you
or a church.
Now gist. Very soon, Attorney General was in opposition. There is this firm, this mining company, in 2016. Somewhere December, NDC lose power for. Only the gold, diamond, the mining company there. Create new government for Bakuri Nobel secure. Yeah, or cancel or terminate contract there. Dominic Ayini, the current Attorney General, he was the lead counsel, he was their lawyer by then. You call Ghana to go in court. The learned Attorney General, Dominic Ayini, the former Attorney General, he went to defend the country somewhere in UK or US, and Ghana won the case. 5 years, the new government and NDC capacity, Attorney General, Kenya, lead counsel, even lawyer at that time, 5 years as Attorney General, here are they fighting for the country. There one interesting aspect. The interesting aspect may be 5 years, the damage here, company, Mammy Sita, yeah, Ghana, it is 3 times now. And OSP had interest in this case. But because they know he will come after them, so he will go. You will not be them, no Ghana, have come after.
Well, many are grumbling if you ever OSP, but no tube over Blumber. I think you're and you got Attorney General, do your investigations. Do your investigations, but the prosecutorial powers are in question. So we await the Supreme Court.
Yeah, but the BMP, Attorney General here, he was the ranking member, the deputy chairman of the committee. Tanya Bay, have powers. Tanya Kisija Bill, MPP to all them Yo,
Manya, the Ayene Konya, the High Court, I feel not sentence here, only as ruling out.
What I hope seems like
JC David, you are doing well. Congratulations.
Since I say, post you every year, I want to say that you get the cases of you. I tell you for 16 and maybe that we got a document. That's why they I'm going to investigation.
You, I mean, what is Supreme Court?
Let's see how it goes.
Let's see how it goes. It's a developing story, so let's say I was. Nyaba mpolo ba mabuga umo subo honorable Richie that was parenting and so strong basa. Mukumi have a message so that I'm a do banao do semianko akbano, kuma semianko like a tuama akbano, but you semianko la bentota akbano, Mary semianko la denta akbano, Mua Shire, Mila Kamato, Nkaka, Manana, Tony Mangoya, bye bye.
Fua me gonla nek po ma bada ba tue menya Fua me na nek po ma bada ba tue Fua me gon nek po ma bada ba tue menya la Fua me na nek